Hello everyone, guess what? I've got merch. Very exciting, we have t-shirts and hoodies, all sizes, kids and adults, black and red. Here's the deal, I'm gonna show you 5 different dance poses in my merch right now. You pick one of them to recreate in my merch. You tag me on Instagram. I'm gonna pick 3 of you to follow and repost on my Instagram. Okay, pose number 1, center split. Today, my daughter Salish attempts to fly alone for the first time.
My suitcase got stopped.
While I follow her in my best disguise ever. Wait, whoa. Where's she going? She'll never know it's me. There is no chance my kid can recognize me right now.
Guys, I see my dad.
In 90 minutes, I'm leaving for our Colorado vacation, but Salish wants to stay here for her last gymnastics practice, so she's gonna fly by herself and then meet me later.
Yeah, and you're gonna be fine with that. I'm 15 now,
I'm having
Dad.
a problem with it, I'm gonna be honest.
No, it's okay. And I know your plan is for sure gonna be to follow me in some stupid costume.
No, it's not.
If you do that, I'm gonna give you the biggest consequence of your life, and you're gonna hate it. Just to make sure that you don't, you have to FaceTime me from the plane.
Okay, I'll FaceTime you from the
Bye.
plane. Dell and Rhoda can make sure you get to the terminal, okay? Have a safe trip, okay?
Okay.
I love you. I'm not gonna follow you. I left you a credit
fine.
card. I love you, be safe.
Bye. He's for sure gonna follow me.
I'm totally gonna follow her.
All right, don't tell Del or Rowan because they might be Team Jordan, and I snuck an air tag in my dad's backpack.
Wait, what?
Just to make sure he doesn't follow me, you know?
That's actually so smart.
I have a 4-step plan. Number 1, get on the plane and FaceTime Salish. Number 2, somehow get off that plane. Number 3, meet Nikki, the makeup artist, and get in a full costume that Salish will never know it's me. Number 4, follow her all the way from here in Los Angeles to Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Whoa, why is she running? Where'd she go? I lost her.
It looks like he's on the way to the airport. So far, so good. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get ready for gym. All right, guys, I don't actually have gymnastics practice today. I just said that so that I could fly alone.
Wait, why are you guys even here? Are you like babysitting her or something?
We're taking her to the airport and both of us need to go. He told us specifically we have to keep our eye on her until we get her to the terminal.
Like her foot has to go through the door.
That's insane.
I know my dad is gonna follow me. If you guys have seen the other videos, you know he's probably gonna follow me too. My dad thinks that I'm leaving this afternoon, but I changed my ticket to leave in 2 hours just to mess with him.
We all know I'm way too overprotective, so I've concocted this entire plan just to make sure she's safe.
I'm doing this to prove to my dad that I can fly alone. I mean, I'm 15 now. Like, why can't I?
Lauren and Hudson are already in Colorado, so they have all the luggage and everything. All I have to do is hop out of this Uber, get into the terminal in time to make this plane so I can FaceTime Salish.
If I'm right and my dad is following me, I'm gonna give him a huge consequence, and it might be the worst consequence I've ever given him. Wait, I'm gonna go check the air tag to see where my dad is. Wait, he's actually at the airport? What?
Now I'm waiting in security, but I did not expect a super long line, so I'm a little concerned I'm gonna miss this first plane, in which case I think this entire thing is done.
Wait, so maybe he actually isn't gonna follow me. No, he for sure is. What? I thought he was gonna be right outside just waiting for me, but he's actually at the airport.
That security took way longer than I thought. Now I have to get to the terminal.
I'm not gonna fully trust him until he gets onto the plane because he could still for sure do something.
If I miss this plane, I can't FaceTime Salish. Then she'll know for sure I'm following her.
So I'm going to Colorado. It's my favorite place ever. Like, I love going snowboarding. It's just so much fun.
Yay, I didn't miss the plane. Whew. I bought the cheapest possible ticket just so I could get on and off the plane. If they don't let me off, I guess I'm going to San Francisco.
After like Colorado, I'm gonna go for like a week and then I'm gonna see my grandparents. So it's super fun because I miss them so much.
I'm boarding my fake flight right now. I gotta get on this plane right now and then FaceTime Salish as soon as I can so I can get off before the doors close.
Oh, and I'm getting a call. Oh, it's my dad. Hey, Dad.
Hey, little girl. I am on the plane. Look, I'll show you. See?
Oh, nice. Plane?
We're taking off soon, so I gotta go. Make sure Rowan and Del get you to the terminal safely, okay? I love you. Be safe.
Okay, love you. Yep, have a safe flight. Bye. Guys, what? He's actually on the plane and he's going to Denver? No way. I thought he was gonna be messing with me. What?
Okay, I just FaceTime Salish. Now I gotta get off this flight before they close the door. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that was so awkward. I had to pretend I was sick so I could get off the plane. They were so nice. Now Salish has absolutely no idea I'm here because I'm gonna turn my Find Friends off. I'm gonna turn my phone to airplane mode. She won't be able to track me. She has absolutely no idea I'm in LA. This is gonna be the best makeover ever.
Say, how much longer?
Rowan and Del still think we're going to gymnastics, but we're going to the airport right now.
Hey, Nikki, where are you right now?
I am
All right, thank you. See you soon. She got prosthetics this time. It's gonna make my face look different. She is absolutely not gonna be able to recognize me. No chance.
Okay, guys, I'm ready. Let's go.
Suitcase for gymnastics?
Yep, because I don't want to come home.
Oh, like we're gonna go straight?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go!
Next stop, United Club. I'm not really a lounge guy, but we paid for a ticket so we can hide and do the transformation without anybody seeing us. I'm looking for a spot where we can be private so nobody sees us doing this transformation, but everywhere is busy. There's people everywhere. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Look. Okay, this is what we're looking for.
I was up until 1 a.m. last night watching
Salish,
1 a.m.?
you have gymnastics and you have a flight. When's your practice?
We're a little early, so low-key could we like drive around the airport to see if there's like traffic?
Guys, this is a good idea.
Yeah, thank you, Ori.
If you're late to your gymnastics practice, it's your fault. It's not our fault.
Well,
We're not getting in
obviously.
trouble.
This is gonna be all over my face. Is that gonna be my nose?
Yep.
We're not messing around today. Let's get started.
I'm getting a new neck.
Wait, Salish. Is your plan just to like run out and just like run out in the terminal or something?
I don't know because like all of my bags are in the back, you know? Should I low-key like crawl in the back right now?
That's actually a good idea, actually.
Low-key, okay.
Be careful, be careful.
Wait, Ori, this is not gonna fit.
Oh, shoot. Wait, Salish, wait, I have a good idea. When we park the car, say that you think you forgot something and you have to go check your suitcase.
Yeah. That's low-key says for
Dude, get in the seat!
my bad.
She was just looking for something.
Your dad is actually gonna kill us.
Oh wow, you're poofing out my face. Yeah, we can already see a difference in my face.
Put the seatbelt on!
Oh my god. When we get there, can you stop at like Terminal 7 really quick because I want to look at the terminal that we're going to, and also I think I might have forgotten something in my suitcase, so I just want to make sure I have it.
Oh my God, whoa, my face looks different.
You need to take a Benadryl.
Wow. It's 8:50 a.m. Salish's flight isn't for a few hours, so we should be good.
Jordan told us, quote, you have to make sure she gets into the terminal all safe. That's what he told us.
Excuse me? Jordan said that we have to get you to the terminal all
Don't do
safe.
that. That's not what I sound like.
Here's the big move, the nose. No way.
Let's check the air tag. He's still at the airport.
There's no way.
Wait, he's for sure planning something.
Yeah, I mean, if he's still here, I think he is.
Finally, we have all day to do this exactly right.
We've planned for
Planned it, because she's not gonna miss gymnastics practice. She won't. She is so committed. We have hours.
Yeah.
Finally, she's not gonna catch me.
All right, Say, it's coming up. Can you please be quick? Because
Yeah, I got it.
I gotta follow her on 2 flights plus a layover in Denver. Who knows what she'll do? That's why I gotta be there.
All right, we're at Terminal 7.
All right, let's go.
Just don't get hit by a car.
I'm doing all this so she can feel like she flew alone, but I can make sure she's safe, right? It's like a win-win. I don't think it's weird. Nothing weird about this.
Oh my gosh.
All right, Rowan, I actually don't, wait, I don't have gymnastics today.
You're kidding.
No.
Oh wait,
I
can it get
don't-
rescheduled?
Yes,
Yeah.
no, I don't have gymnastics on this day. I'm really sorry for the confusion. Thank you guys, bye, Ari. See ya.
Bye, Salish.
Bye.
Wait,
Dude,
what?
Wait, get in. She just left. Can you call Jordan? Ari, why were you okay with that? Is he on the flight? Okay, call Nikki.
Somebody's calling in.
I don't know this number.
Hey,
Are
is
you
Jordan there?
Jordan? He's not answering.
Hey, what's up?
Dude, she just said she didn't have gymnastics today and she just went into the airport.
Wait, she's at the airport here?
She got her bag and literally just walked in and said like she's got a ticket, she's got everything she needs. Like,
Wait a minute, I don't understand. Are you with her right now?
no, because we're in the car. We weren't expecting to like actually go in with her because we were gonna go to gymnastics.
Wait, why is she here so early? Her flight doesn't take off for hours.
I don't. Did she tell you something?
She didn't really tell me anything.
Ari,
Yeah.
dude, be honest with me. Do you know anything?
She told me she got an earlier flight.
She got a different flight to Denver?
So like she's like on time for the earlier flight.
There's 3 of you there and none of you are with her? She just left?
She ran in and then we were getting honked at, so we had to move the car.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
She's not tracking you, right? Because your phone's off.
No, she can't. She has no idea I'm here. I FaceTimed her from the airplane. She thinks I'm on my way to Colorado. I gotta go. I gotta figure this out. Thank you very much for losing my daughter, okay?
No, okay.
Just call her right now and make sure she got in the terminal, okay?
Okay, we'll call her now.
Can I use your phone? I might have to book a new ticket.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Just when we were saying, oh, we've got all the time in the world, she's here.
Hi, Del.
Say, where'd you go?
Oh, I'm just in the security line right now.
Do you have everything you need? Do you have your ticket and your ID and everything?
Yeah, I changed my flight to an early flight. I changed it. I've got everything.
Are you safe?
Oh my gosh, you guys can leave. I'm like already like about to like board, I think, you know, because I got an early flight.
Dude, if you say you're safe, we're gonna trust you.
All right, bye. See you guys. They're actually scared. Like,
We have to hurry. I gotta get out of here. I'm freaking out now.
Okay.
I gotta find out what flight is she on.
I go to the airport super early this time to get through security so then I can catch him because he really thought he was gonna trick me. Guys, I'm like so paranoid now. I'm looking at every guy making sure it's not my dad.
The next flight to Denver takes off in an hour. I don't know. Should I get the ticket for that? I should get a ticket for that, right?
I feel like that would be the one.
That's the one she would be on.
Okay, we just made it through security. Now we gotta go to our gate. I think that's what it's called. To our gate.
Is this gonna look as good as it could have?
I needed like way more time to do this.
I'm sorry. I don't know what to do.
My suitcase got stopped. My computer. I didn't know I would have to actually like take it out. It's so embarrassing, bro.
Here comes my least favorite part. I didn't think it could get worse, but now it's worse.
Chex Mix, favorite snack ever.
This does not look like a businessman.
This face means business though.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, they have Dr. Pepper. I even have a Dr. Pepper shirt. I actually wore it in a video we did, so yeah, tell me if you liked it. I love Dr. Pepper so much.
Oh my God, this hair. I think we were expecting more time to do all this.
Let's check the airtime really quick. It says that my dad is in the United Club, so I can't get in there.
I'm in the bathroom right now getting changed.
Bro, he lied to me, and I'm so confused because he called me and he was on the plane. How do you even get off the plane? But I do have the perfect idea to drive my dad crazy. I'm gonna try and upgrade my seat to first class, and of course I'm gonna use my dad's card because no offense, Dad, but this is all your fault.
I have to leave in the next 2 minutes or else I'm gonna probably miss this flight. And then she does get to fly alone after all.
Hi, can I please have first class?
Cancel your boarding pass,
Yeah, here you go.
We had hours to make this perfect, hours.
and you're all set. First class ticket, all yours.
Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, guys, I got first class. Let's go. This is gonna be the best flight ever.
It's gonna have to work because I gotta get to the gate.
I just went on my first ever first class experience to Singapore, and that was so much fun. And sorry, Dad, but I bought a first class ticket, first of all, to your money, and it wasn't too expensive. Like, it was $50. So thank you, Dad.
You look great.
Okay, I gotta go. You killed it, thank you.
Of course, thank you.
Wish me luck.
Good luck, you got this.
Bye. Salish threw another curveball to us, and here we go. 11:15, boarding. I gotta hurry up. Okay, we're here. We're here, I gotta chill. Everybody's boarding. I'm trying to see if I see Salish. I think I just saw her, hold on.
I'm certain my dad is here. So
She's right there, she's right there. Ha, I found her.
guys, I see my dad. No way.
She doesn't even know I'm here. Did she just look at me? I know, I'm gonna just go over here like I'm looking out the window.
I was just like looking at the air tag, right? And then I saw a guy filming. Look. He's right there.
She's probably looking out at the planes.
Oh my gosh, bro. That's a good disguise look. Oh my god, he looks so different. No way.
Okay, she's right there. How did she just skip past everyone?
Thank you.
Okay, Salish, you think you're all alone? You have no idea, but I'm right here behind you. How did she get ahead of everybody?
I'm in first class, so I'm like one of the first people. So I'm just gonna be filming. Dad, that suit? Don't wear a suit next time.
Hopefully I'm sitting in front of Salish so I can sit down without her ever seeing me. Thank you. All right, they couldn't tell I was wearing a totally different face. That's good.
Hi, welcome on board.
I see my dad. No way.
She's in first class.
The disguise looks so real, bro.
She bought herself a new ticket and it's first class. She's only ever traveled first class once, and that was like last week to Singapore because she won a challenge against me. Like, what is she doing now?
No way. He passed me and he saw me, bro.
So I'm flying coach and Salish is flying first class.
I'm just in the bathroom, and first class is so nice. Oh my gosh. His disguise is ridiculous. Like, what is that, bro?
Look at this. Come on, I can't even tell it's me.
When we get to the layover in Denver, I'm gonna mix with my dad so much there because it's just gonna be so easy. And I have a couple tricks up my sleeve.
Salish, where are you?
I was just texting with Matthew Bean before I took off, and I have such a good plan with him when we arrive in Denver. It's gonna be so funny.
What's so crazy is that Salish is flying alone right now for the first time. She's doing great. Obviously, I know she can handle it. Like, I'm here to make sure she's okay, and she doesn't even realize it. If I never tell Salish I was following her, she at least sees it in this video. By then, I will have missed the consequence.
Guys, he thinks he's so discreet.
She walked right by me and didn't even know.
It's so obvious, bro. Every time I come here, he's like, we'll have 3 hours before our flight to
don't want to get caught.
I have no idea why I'm not allowed to be on a plane at 15 years old.
Newsflash, Salish can fly without me. She's doing great. She's 15 now. She's grown up. I got to accept it.
I wonder what my dad's doing right now.
It's really bumpy.
I kind of feel like I should go see her and make sure she's okay.
My dad's probably terrified of his turbulence, but I'm having so much fun.
We're landing.
We just landed. That was such a good and fun flight.
Don't forget your luggage thing. She doesn't even realize I'm filming her. She's right there, she's right there, she's right there.
Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you.
You too.
Holidays.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, thank you.
My dad.
Wait, so I'm drinking it.
I'm walking closer to him.
Do you think she got a peppermint mocha because she misses me? Is that actually possible?
He keeps on looking back at me.
Okay, she's just right behind me. If she knows I'm here, I am gonna get such a terrible consequence. Okay, I'm gonna duck in here.
I'm gonna call out Dad.
She's in here too. Are you kidding me?
Hey, Dad.
What the heck?
Hey, Dad.
What the heck? Did she just say dad? I think she was saying dad, I couldn't tell. If she's saying dad, that means she knows this is me again, but I couldn't tell for sure. It was loud in here. Now she took off.
He did not answer. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna ask somebody to watch my bag, and then I'm just gonna leave my bag there.
She got her bag. Okay, she got her bag.
I mean, what kind of outfit is that, bro? I'm pretty sure he's wearing prosthetics.
There's my little girl, all by herself and doing great.
By the way, guys, don't think that I forgot about the consequence, because as soon as I catch my dad, he's gonna regret it.
I can just go up there and then we can hang out for 4 hours in Denver airport by ourselves, but no, because I will get a consequence and it's gonna be brutal, and I know that already, and I'm not gonna do it.
I just got a text from Matthew Beam, and we have the best prank, but I have to stall first, so I'm gonna mess with my dad and see if I'll get him to expose himself. I'm gonna pretend to drop my passport, so he has to pick it up and then give it to me, because I can't go to Steamboat without my passport.
Where's she going now?
I look, you have to walk near him.
She goes.
I'm just gonna drop it, and hopefully he comes to get it, and not a random person.
Whoa, she dropped something.
Go, go, go. I'm scared. Oh my god, oh my god.
She dropped something.
Okay, he's going, he's going.
What? Oh my God. This is her passport. She's leaving and her passport's right here.
You got the passport?
Are you kidding me? She literally dropped her passport?
I just heard him say, are you kidding me? Now I'm just gonna keep walking slower.
I have to give her passport back. She can't get on the plane without her passport.
Okay, let's go farther.
I gotta give it back to her. How do I do this? You drop your excuse me, drop your passport. Drop your passport. This is bad.
Yeah, I kind of need that passport to get into my gate.
You dropped your passport. You dropped your passport. This is awkward.
I'm gonna walk even slower.
Excuse me, I think you dropped this.
Oh, thank you. Wait, excuse me, what's your name?
Sorry, bye-bye.
Thank you. Guys, he just gave it to me, and then he just walked by.
I gotta pretend now that I'm running from my flight.
I wanted to say thank you or know his name, and he did not want to show his face at all, bro. My plan failed.
That was so awkward.
He's running away. Where is he going?
There's at least a 50-50 chance she knows this is me. This is way too many coincidences now.
Nothing worked. Dropping my passport didn't work. Leaving my bag didn't work. Literally nothing has worked, bro.
It's so cute, she's just vlogging, look.
I'm gonna meet Matthew Beam, and he's gonna help me because he knows someone that is like my same age, and I'm gonna put her in the same exact clothes that I'm wearing, so then my dad might follow her instead of following me.
Okay, we're getting on this train. I can't believe I'm this close to her and she has no idea I'm here.
It's like right there. We're getting off the train right now.
Her flight to Steamboat takes off from Terminal B and she's just gone to Terminal A. For what reason? Like, why are we doing this?
He thinks that he's so like nonchalant, but I can see everything he's doing.
She's gotten so much older though. Look, she is just handling this all by herself. I knew she could, totally knew she could.
I'm not having a problem with it, I'm gonna be honest.
All right, Matthew Beam is supposed to be at 8:75.
Again, I've lost her. Every time I talk to you guys, I lose Salish. I should never be a private investigator because I can't keep track of my kid.
If it all goes well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win this challenge and my dad's gonna get the worst consequence of his life. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous outside.
Everyone who has asked to take a picture with Salish has not asked to take one with me, which means either there's nobody that's Team Jordan, which is a definite possibility, or it means they don't recognize me, which is perfect. I'm gonna go with that, not the whole Team Salish thing.
Hey Matthew, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Okay, did you set up the plan?
Yeah, everything's set up. You're good to go, okay?
Thank you so much. Have a safe flight. Thank you.
What? Hold on. Whoa. Is that with Matthew? That's Matthew Beam.
He has set everything up, and I'm pretty sure everything. That's my dad, and he saw Matthew. so he knows that we just planned something. Oh my gosh, I did not think that would happen.
Matthew, hey, it's Jordan.
What are you wearing?
Can you tell it to me? Can you tell it to me from the beginning?
I thought there was still a brand of running.
You were just with Salish, right?
Yeah.
I saw it. What's
Yeah.
up?
She was just saying hi.
What are you doing here?
I gotta catch a flight.
Okay, see ya.
I actually boarded like 12 minutes. I
Okay,
gotta
do
go.
I look like me or can you tell it's me?
I know who you were.
Okay. Bye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
That's so cool. We just ran into Matthew Beam. He lives in Colorado. Not a huge surprise, but random.
Hopefully I've lost him now.
I just saw her going this way.
Now I have to train the girl that's my age and my body double.
Salish just got on this train. Sorry, excuse me. She's rocking.
I got a nice little spot. I can see everything.
When they were little, Salish and I used to sit there, but they would look out and get all excited. Now she's a cool teenager.
Now I gotta get out of the train. Oh my gosh, guys. My dad is right there. Okay, my dad found me.
It doesn't make any sense that we're here. The only reason why we'd be here is if we're leaving the airport, which we're not. Why are we leaving?
Okay, Matthew told me to meet her over here.
We're supposed to be in Terminal B right now, getting on the flight in an hour, and she's just walking towards what? We're walking directly towards baggage claim. I don't like any of those options. Hold on, where are we going? I'm all kinds of confused. Where in the world is she? I can't see what she's doing.
Hi, are you Ella?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, I'm Salish.
You too.
All right, we gotta go to the bathroom really quick because my dad is trying to find us, so let's go.
Okay, she's over there. She went into the bathroom. You didn't have to come out of the terminal to use the bathroom, say.
I have a sweatsuit for you, and then you just have to like act like you're me, okay? All right, here you go. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, how long does it take to go to the bathroom, Salish?
My dad is gonna think that Ella is me because she's wearing the exact same thing. So then he's gonna follow Ella, and Ella's gonna walk all the way back to her car.
We gotta get back on the plane. Why are we out here right now?
It looks perfect. You're a little taller, but I think it's good. So let's go. So you just have to walk out and walk all the way to your car. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bye. So Ella just left.
Oh, there she is. All right, wait. Where's her luggage? Where are you going, Say? Where's her suitcase?
My dad's right there. I think he's for sure gonna think it's me. My dad's also gonna be confused because she doesn't have the suitcase.
Wait, where is she going? She's going down the escalator now? What is happening? Where are we going?
He's going down the escalator. He's so easy to fool, bro. He thinks that's me.
Wait, what is she doing? Where is she going? What? Wait, whoa, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. No, actually, no. Wait, wait. What? Are you kidding? What? She just took off. What the heck?
Sorry, Dad, but you kind of deserve this because you keep on lying to me and telling me you're not gonna follow me, and then you keep on following me.
Where's she going? She just took off in an Uber without her luggage? Are you kidding me? I don't care. I'm going off airport mode. I don't care if I get caught. She just left her luggage and got into an Uber. There's a really delicious Mexican restaurant very close to the airport. I know that because we always go there. I'll bet you anything she went there right now to get a meal. But that's crazy. Okay, you know what? I'll just take the consequence and call her and tell her to come back because she's gonna miss the airplane at this point.
Okay, I gotta go walk next to him and show him that I'm still here right now. Hopefully he looks at me.
I'm gonna call, she's right there.
Okay, he saw me, he saw me, he saw me.
What is going on in my mind right now?
He's following me. I'm just gonna walk in here.
I was just about to call her and she's right here. Wait, my mind isn't minding.
Okay, we're chilling. Now we gotta go through the security.
Who was that? I'm an idiot. Okay, I thought that was her. That was so stupid of me. All right, so she's now headed back inside. Okay, she's going back up the escalator. Oh my gosh, where are we going, Salish? Like, where are we actually going?
Yeah, he's right there. He just saw me. I have one more trick planned. The security won't let him through if he has his disguise on. He has to take off all of his disguise and everything, and then I'll see that it's him, you know?
That girl looked kind of like Salish, taller. That's the way to go back into the terminal. So I guess that's what we're doing.
We gotta go to our terminal.
Like she's walking like she's got all the time in the world.
Oh, ho, the mistletoe, somewhere you can see.
The plane's gonna leave in 45 minutes. What is she doing?
He has to take off his prosthetics now.
Whoa, wait. I can't go through security like this. It's face recognition. They will know. I have to take off my prosthetics. She's going through security right now and I have to take off the prosthetics. Okay, maybe I can leave the wig on because people wear toupees. I might wear a toupee one day. Okay.
I literally only have one more flight, then I'm on vacation for 2 whole weeks. I cannot wait, bro. I can't wait to be done with school, going out in the snow, to be seeing my family. It's gonna be so much fun.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's weird looking.
I have my final prank that I'm gonna pull on him to try and get him to lose this challenge. If he sees me at the gate, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend to fall asleep so that he has to wake me up because he does not want me to miss my flight. And I mean, he doesn't want that consequence because it's gonna be the worst one he's ever had.
Reporting unattended bags and suspicious behavior to the nearest airport employee, law enforcement officer, or TSA representative.
All right, literally my gate is right there. I don't see my dad, but I'm still gonna be pretending to sleep just in case if he is there, he will lose the challenge and he'll get the consequence.
I don't know how am I supposed to fool her now.
So I'll just be like this, like sleeping.
I can still wear the glasses.
How you doing?
I'm good. We were doing a YouTube video and I had prosthetics on. Now, obviously, I can't have them on anymore. It hurts. That guy was a security officer. He saw me taking off my prosthetics. That is so sketchy.
Guys, I don't know where he is, but I hope he's near.
Let that. Salish will totally know this is me.
Boarding process. Do you have any passengers within a
Bro, is he gonna come or not? Because I can't see him, but I don't know where he is.
Now the fingerprint time.
Actually, we switched the facial recognition, sir. Now I just need to scan your boarding pass.
Sure.
You're good to go?
Good,
Have a great flight.
thank you. I just got through security and it was facial recognition, so I'm so lucky I took the prosthetics off, but now I have no idea how to hide my identity for the final flight. I still have to get a face mask and a hat. Very quick. Hi, excuse me, do you guys sell face masks? Oh, perfect, thank you. And hats. I'm now a hunter and fisher or whatever, okay? And then, what do you think? Do I look different?
You look different.
All right, let's do it. Maybe she won't notice. Actually not bad. Wait, why didn't I just do this from the beginning? I could just put a face mask on. I didn't need the prosthetics. The one place I could get away with wearing a face mask without it looking weird was here, and I put on prosthetics. We're here, she's probably already on the plane, which means I just get on the plane, keep my head down once we land in Steamboat. Team Jordan.
I hear him. Dad, I told you it was you. Oh my gosh, Dad, your disguise was terrible.
Did you know the whole time?
Yes, from the beginning. I mean, it's so obviously you.
How did you know I didn't get on the plane?
Well, I put an air tag in your backpack.
You did?
Yep, haha, now I won the challenge and you get the worst consequence ever.
What is it?
You'll see. All right, Dad, you know what you have to do.
Can we not do this? I'm sorry.
Nope, Dad, let's go. Come on, take off your jacket.
I have to do it without my jacket?
Yes, Dad, this has to be the worst consequence you've ever had.
Okay.
Take off your jacket. Now walk in.
So cold.
Yup. Right to that blue thing. Go. Dad, if you just run, it will be over with.
Oh, no. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, make us know. Okay, are you going to do it again?
Never. Hurry, please.
Are you going to follow me again?
No.
Okay.
I promise.
Am I old enough?
I promise.
Am I old enough now?
Yes. You're
All right.
old enough, Salish. I promise. Hurry up.
Okay, thanks. Here's your phone.
What? Oh my God.
Tonight, my dad thinks I'm going to sleep over, but what he doesn't know is I'm actually going to hide in the house and prank him all night. My plan is to make my dad think there's ghosts in the house.
What the heck was that?
And totally freak him out.
Step outside for me. Keep your hands in sight.
All right, let's go. I've got everything to prank him in this bag. Let's do this. It's going to be so funny. Dad, Sophia's mom is picking me up.
Okay. All right. Love you.
Love you. Bye. Now we gotta go into the office. Let's go. Hudson's in on it and he's pretending to film a video with my dad.
This entire set is totally fake. I cannot wait to prank this guy. The only cameras he sees are this one right here and this little vlog camera.
The last prank I did on him, I pretended that I broke his diamond play button, but this time he's actually not gonna notice me. So watch this. So I'm gonna take this and he's gonna freak out. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this fake glass. It really does look like it exploded now.
We're gonna be reviewing infomercial Amazon products.
You're just shooting this on your own?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Okay.
I have to get up somehow. Oh, okay. Oh shoot, I forgot the diamond play button. Got this.
All right, here we go. We're unboxing Amazon.
Climb out again. The mean bag, and there are all the wires that the team helped me set up, and the camera and the light that the team helped me set up. Thank you, team.
That's a bummer. My diamond play button just literally broke.
Come on.
That's so random.
They're here.
And I'm sure YouTube would send you a new one.
So are we going back to filming?
Yeah.
This camera's the garage, this camera's the kitchen, this camera is the entry, and this camera is the upstairs. So I can watch pretty much every room in the house.
We had a little misfortune, but we're gonna just
My
start
diamond
over.
play button is broken.
It did not. Wait, we're gonna start
yes,
over.
it did.
We're gonna
Just
start it
start.
over, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Do they give other diamond play buttons?
Yes!
This is probably gonna make my dad think he's going crazy. He deserves it because the amount of times he's pranked me, plus he's gonna get an awesome birthday celebration at the end, so he's not gonna care.
This is flexi tape, and we're gonna go test it.
Yeah! Flexi tape! Come on! Woo!
My mom told my dad that she was at dinner with her friends, but right now she's actually shopping for the big surprise at the end.
How many products are we doing, by the way?
We're doing like 20.
20?
Let's set this camera up.
There we go. Actually, I look kind of good. You got a colander. The water goes through the colander. We're gonna tape it up with the flexi tape and see if the water stops.
There's a phone in the elevator that never works, so I'm gonna call it to freak my dad out. I'm gonna play a phone call sound.
It's so loud.
What?
Can we please not just let it
Wait,
ring?
whose phone is it? It's
Oh
only
my.
the two of us here.
They just realized.
Wait.
He's opening the elevator.
Hudson, there's a sound coming out of the elevator. Hudson, did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything. Ah! Dang it, I almost
Does
got
the
it.
phone in the elevator ring? Did somebody just call?
He's gonna close the door and then I'm gonna play it again.
What was that sound? I heard it come out of here twice.
Come on, I know you're freaked out, but let's just...
I'm not freaked out. I'm just like, first my play button is broken somehow, and then now there's a weird phone number. Could have been in here.
So stupid. Are you okay? Can we get back?
Yeah, I'm fine. That was weird.
Maybe I'll play a different one to really trick him.
We're gonna put tape on this colander like my dad was saying.
Maybe I should play a different phone call.
All right, this one I'm coming with you.
Wait. This is so freaking weird. What? What is happening? Something is so weird with this phone. There's no sound. We have never turned this phone on. Maybe it is turned on. We never knew it.
Maybe it's a ghost. Come on, man. Can
I'm
we
just gonna
please
wait.
keep filming? There were a few ghosts in this house a long time ago, but
But now I'm gonna call him from this phone and I'm gonna make like scary noises.
The colander's actually ruined. Mom is going to kill you. Hudson, where are you?
I'm calling him right now.
Hello?
Salish, we're getting him so good. Keep it up, little one.
No, he isn't up. Okay, he hung up.
That didn't work because it's going to break the colander. I've got a new idea. Watch me cook.
I'm calling him again.
Oh, wait, someone's calling you.
I know, it was just a crank. It was a crank call. Listen, I think it's like a fax or something. Hello? It's a dog. Boomer, is this call for you? This call's for Boomer. I'm just calling this person back.
I am so excited to give my dad his birthday surprise at midnight, but he's gonna earn it, so I'm gonna keep pranking him.
Hello? I missed a call from you. Hello?
Ow, turn that off, please.
Hey, if this is a prank call, who are you?
I have no idea what they're doing.
If I get wet, I'm gonna be.
What? You're not gonna get wet. You're not gonna get wet.
Oh, you're cooked!
Now it's time to get my dad out of the house to set up the next prank.
Hey, what's up?
You need to get dad out of the house.
Out of the house?
Tell him that you need him to walk Boomer.
He's about to come, so I'll do my best, all right? I love you, bye.
Okay, bye.
I don't know if this is gonna be that easy. He's about to come. Dad, let's go!
1 down, 9 to go.
Can you take Boomer on a walk? Just a quick walk while I get the next one set up.
Since when do you care about when he gets to walk?
Hudson.
Salish told me because she forgot. She's with her friends at a sleepover.
Okay. Good job, Hudson.
She didn't walk him before she left?
I think she forgot. She was in a rush. Can you please do it now, though? It's important. Don't call her, though. Don't call her, though.
Dude.
Oh, God. He's calling. He's calling. Hey, Dad, I'm at Sophia's.
Did you feed Boomer?
Yeah, I fed him.
Okay, but you didn't walk him?
No, my bad.
All right, love you. You having fun?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing? Say? Say, you good? What are you doing? Say.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
What are you guys up to?
We're doing like the normal things. Okay, bye.
Do you know where the bags are? Because the bags aren't in the closet. The poop bags.
He thinks I'm still on the phone with him, but I'm not.
She hung up on me. Okay. I guess this is my poop bag. I'll be back in 10 minutes, okay?
So the next product we're gonna
You're
do.
not actually filming the video.
Oh, right, I was trying to make a cool video. All right, what do we gotta do now?
Just follow me. We gotta hurry. Take all of his black shirts down.
That's all he owns, look at this. These are all black shirts.
I'm gonna like refill it with a bunch of extra large t-shirts.
He's like 6 feet tall, but he always wears medium shirts.
Yeah, exactly.
He's gonna freak, that's terrible.
Actually, these are extra large.
So we need to get him up here to change a shirt,
Yeah.
and to do that, I need to ruin one of his the real shirt.
Exactly. Thanks for folding and hanging all those.
Wait.
Love you.
I have to
hide all the small ones.
Yeah, these shirts are way too massive. All the black shirts are set up now. It'll definitely mess with his head a little bit. At the end of the video, he is going to freak out with the birthday surprise. He's not gonna see it coming. I just heard him. Man, I gotta come up with an excuse here.
He came back right on time.
I was just upstairs checking the lighting for a shot.
Checking the lighting like he would ever do that.
You ready for this next one?
Oh my God, oh my God.
He needs to ruin my dad's shirt so the next prank can happen.
The next product we're gonna be trying is cool transition, you know? Wasn't that so cool?
It was cool.
I'm doing this to get back at my dad for all the times he's pranked me with secret cameras.
Oh, you're opening it like Salish style. Whoa!
Now this is fun. It double cooks your pancakes.
Pancakes!
Okay, perfect. They're going to the kitchen and Hudson needs to ruin my dad's shirt so that the next prank can happen.
This pan will cook a pancake on both sides.
That's true.
Do you know my birthday's tomorrow? You haven't even mentioned it, by the way.
Happy birthday, bro. Well, it's not your birthday today.
Wow, okay. I'm tired, it's late. Can we do this tomorrow?
I'm gonna text Hudson right now to ruin his shirt.
Pour our pancakes right here.
Bro, Hudson, hurry up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, actually, that's pretty cool.
I'm gonna call him right now.
Hey, Say, how are you?
Why are you vlogging yourself?
Hey, just wait. Wait, sorry, Say it again. You're having a good time?
It's going great.
Hey, Say, we just made a pancake.
It's awesome. Hudson, you have to spill the pancake batter on him. Hurry up.
Bye, I love you. Salish just said hi. She sends her love. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, he really just put that on him.
Why would you do that?
That's just,
dude.
That's S-tier content right there.
Are you?
Good job, Hudson. Now he's gonna have to go change.
I gotta go change my shirt and everything. Will you clean this up? Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go change. Why would you do that?
I'm sorry. This next prank's gonna be really funny. And we go to the secret room. Say, how's everything going?
You're doing like okay.
I'm totally distracted. There's no clue.
Anyways, but what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna set off the alarm so he really thinks something's happening. So you have to distract him in the garage.
It's gonna be harder than it looks, but I can do my best.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Dad, I'm in the garage.
Once he's in the garage, that probably gives me about a minute to set off the alarm.
Hey, Huds.
Yo.
These shirts, look at this.
It's a little big, bro.
All of these shirts are not my size. I wear why are you filming me?
He looks so ridiculous.
All my shirts are super, I wear tight shirts. This is like a baggy extra.
It looks normal.
Okay. Do you know if Mom got me shirts?
I don't know.
Come on, Hudson, get him into the garage. I need to do the next prank.
These are all super big. I wouldn't wear these.
Can we please keep filming? We don't have much time for this.
Great.
Thank you. All right.
That's weird though.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna go set the alarm and trigger it so that they get all freaked out that it's ringing. Okay, let's go.
We're back. I'm wearing a super big t-shirt for I don't know what. My wife maybe just got a bunch of new t-shirts.
It looks a little bit out of place.
Okay. First we have to set the alarm. This is gonna be loud, okay? We have to bypass all of these. Go.
Our next product is, I actually don't know what. I got scared. All right, let me do it. That looks fun.
Shh. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. This alarm, whenever anything goes off, it calls my mom, so that's not gonna get it. Okay. Let's go.
Ooh, it looks like
gravestones. Seriously, what's this video about? I gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
No, wait, come on.
I gotta, okay, hold on, wait, I will do the thing in a second. I just have to go to the bathroom.
Please don't.
Okay, why?
Oh my gosh, okay. He's literally good going up right there. I should really hide better.
Did you give your team the week off and this is when you do it by yourself? A hair dryer?
This is actually supposed to be a super famous hair thing.
All right, it's armed, so now I'm gonna open the door.
We're gonna try this hair dryer today.
3, 2, 1, go.
Revlon.
so loud.
Whoa, that is. Why is the alarm going off? What is the code?
I'm back in the secret room.
Hudson, do you know the code?
No.
They don't know the code?
Hello, yes. We're fine. Yes, we're absolutely fine. It's just, I forgot the code, but we're good.
They just got a call asking if they're okay.
We're all good, thank you. I'll turn up, thank you. Do you know the code?
I have no clue.
What is the code? Oh, it's,
Oh my gosh, it is so loud.
I can't think.
He doesn't know the code.
Is it, yes.
That was kind of weird.
Why would the alarm go off? I didn't set the alarm. I didn't lock the door.
Hello, anyone in here?
No, actually, why would the alarm go off?
My dad's actually scared and he's checking to see if anyone actually set the alarm.
Is there somebody in here? This is a weird day. Hey, love.
Hey, are you okay? I just got an alert that the alarm's going off.
Yes, I'm fine. I just don't have any idea why the alarm just went off. I never even set the alarm. Have you ever known that to happen before?
No, that's so weird. I didn't set the alarm.
This is the weird thing. We didn't get an alert that anybody came into the house. We get alerts for that with the security outside. So I don't know. I think the alarm is just tripping.
My mom's in on this and no offense, but her and my brother acting skills are not the best. I should give them a lesson.
Did you get me a bunch of extra large shirts?
Extra large?
Yeah, like my closet. Like I don't have any of my shirts anymore and all the shirts are like
Dude,
super
you're
large.
overreacting. Can we please?
No,
Please.
I'm just asking, Mom, did you get me shirts?
I'd never get extra large. I know you like them tight.
Then what happened? This
Can
is
we
so
please
okay,
go?
okay, all right. I love you.
Love you, Mom.
It's like a weird night, right?
Can I ask you a question?
Are we filming? It's a weird night, everyone. Could you do me a favor, Hudson, just look around?
I'm not looking. What if someone's here, dude? I'm not looking around.
He looks so funny in that XXL t-shirt, by the way.
He has no idea this is going so well. He's so freaked out. These pranks are just getting crazier.
Okay. Hey, Huds.
Can we get back to the video?
It's a little weird, man. Why is that door open?
Oh my.
Oh no.
Were you looking in here?
Nope, I did not. Come on, we don't have time for that. Let's go.
Hey, Huds, I'm gonna call the security company. Just check upstairs, okay?
If that didn't freak him out enough, I've called the cops.
I know the next prank Salish set up. He's not gonna see it coming, but I'm gonna stand here for a while.
Have you seen anybody outside? It's not here right now.
So you do not have ID.
I think maybe I made a mistake and I don't know, it fell out or I put it in with the credit cards, but I don't see it.
I think the thing he's looking for is this right here.
Okay, do you actually live here, sir?
I do, I absolutely live, 100% I live here, yes.
Oh gosh, okay.
I mean, I feel a little bad because he looks scared, but soon enough he'll know this is a prank.
Can you tell me why the alarm went off, sir?
I don't know why it went off. Like the alarm suddenly just...
You don't know why?
He's stressing out right now.
Do you have anything to show proof that you actually live here?
I have a photo, my office is in there and my computer has my photo with my kids on it.
Let's take a look.
Wait, where are they taking him?
It's just right here.
Huh.
See?
There
That's
you
us.
are.
I can't believe he doesn't realize I'm pranking him.
I just want to take a look inside, make sure everything is code 4. Everything's
Absolutely,
safe.
officer. Come on in. Feel free to look around however you want.
No, you know what? Actually, I gotta go.
Oh,
So you have a great night, sir.
okay.
The alarms are messing up, so I definitely make sure that I check the perimeter, make sure everything is safe, because you never know. There's been a lot of break-ins in this neighborhood, so make sure you check it.
Oh, okay, but do you want to, you're here. Would you like to do the perimeter check for me?
No, I gotta go, but if there is something wrong, call the police.
But you are the police.
That was so good, but this is gonna get a lot more fun.
Huds! Where are you, dude?
The next chance I get, I have to sneak out so that I can get the garage clicker to do my next prank.
Are you okay? Where are you?
Hey.
Dude, where have you been? Oh my
I was just in my
God.
room, I didn't hear you. What's up?
There was a cop here. Literally from the alarm. Did you look everywhere? He said to make sure we check the house.
Yeah, I looked everywhere. All right, we're good.
I don't want to film anymore, really.
You're good,
Dude,
you're good.
Hudson, that was so scary, actually.
Okay, I got the clicker, and this controls the garage, so this is gonna be very useful for this next scene.
All right, let's see what we got. Just Crunch, the anti-soggy bowl. Boom.
First, I'm gonna open the garage with this, and then I'm gonna control my dad's car with this phone.
You put your cereal here, your milk here, and your cereal doesn't get soggy. 1, 2, 3, dope!
I didn't like it.
I'm gonna click this, I think.
All right, here's our next one.
I think it will go up. Oh no, okay, I'm clicking this one.
What the heck? Is that the motion sensor?
Okay, it's going up, it's going up.
Whoa. What the heck? Wait, what is going on? Something is up with my app.
Okay, now I'm gonna go backwards.
Hey, hey, hey!
What? Wait, what is going? My car's driving away. Stop, 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 stop.
It's going backwards.
Stop! What is happening?
He for sure thinks our house is like haunted or something.
Dude, this is so weird. All right, wait, Huds, I know what to do.
Bro, my dad ruined it. He got in the car.
I have no idea why this is happening. I'm gonna charge the car because when you're charging it, it can't go anywhere.
Now I'm gonna close it.
All right, we're good, we're good. What is going on? This is so weird.
I almost left him out, but I didn't get too close.
I'm gonna close it. That's me doing it. There we go. Okay, that's so weird. The car thing was weird. The garage thing is weird. The alarm is weird. That was weird. Why are you still looking? Are you kidding me? Who cares about, dude?
It's almost midnight and I am about to do the birthday surprise for my dad, but I have one more prank that's gonna drive him crazy.
But do you think we could just finish the video first?
No. Hold on. Let me just ask Mom. Hi, honey. It's very weird what's going on in this house.
He's calling my mom?
Has the garage door just ever like opened up for you out of nowhere?
Salish, we gotta get this wrapped up because he's about to lose his mind. He's terrified.
What about my car? Have you ever seen my car randomly drive?
We gotta get the surprise. He's freaking out.
One of two things is going on. Hudson is pranking me, but he says he's not, or there's actually something weird happening in this house and I don't know what it is.
Should we call the police?
The police were here already.
Wait, the police were there?
Yeah, he stopped by when the alarm went off. I think Hudson's probably pranking me, but I have no idea how he's doing it. So the only other option is like ghosts in this house. Hudson, okay, tell me the truth. Are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, look. There's two of us in this house.
I just wanna make this video.
Do you have a remote on you?
No.
How did that just happen? We don't even have a remote for the garage.
Without my dad knowing, Colin from the team trained AI to replicate my dad's voice.
This is Jordan, this is my voice.
So now I can make my dad say anything without him actually saying it.
Are you pranking me?
I'm not doing
Hudson,
anything.
actually tell me. Your mother is listening to you, don't lie. Just tell me, are you pranking me?
I'm not doing anything, dude.
So I'm gonna send my dad a voice message from a random number and make it sound like he's talking to himself.
I just got a random text. Hold on, honey.
Please, before text.
Wait. I know it's not your birthday yet, but I wanted to be the first person to say happy birthday. What the heck was that? Honey, did you hear that?
Wait, what?
That was me saying happy birthday to myself.
That's so funny.
Can I call you right back?
Yeah.
All right, I love you. Bye. That was me talking to me from an unknown number. What is going on?
It's time for the surprise. Okay, I'm gonna text Hudson and tell him to bring in the final package.
Wait, why are you on your phone right now?
I'm just dealing with something.
My brother is so bad at acting. Oh my gosh.
No, okay, you're doing this somehow. Let me see your outgoing text.
It's not me. I've done nothing.
Come on, actually.
I'm not doing anything.
Then who's doing it?
He has no idea who's sending these and he's freaking out.
I don't know. It's very strange.
Okay, this is the final surprise.
Wait, no, you can't go out there. Just you have to stay in here. All the party guests that came here to celebrate. Dad,
Yeah.
all right, you ready? This is the final one. I need to blindfold you. I know weird stuff has happened, but I need to blindfold you, okay? This will all be over in 30 seconds.
Dude.
You look great. All right, come with me.
No, I'm not.
You're
This
good.
is.
Come on, you're good.
Where are we going? This is the weirdest day, dude. This has all been a weird.
Okay, you're gonna stand here.
What is going on? What's going on?
3, 2, happy birthday!
Thank you, everybody. This is what 30 looks like.
By the way, here you go.
You knew too? You were all in on it? Oh, I love you. This is billionaire Paris Hilton's mansion, and today, my daughter Salish will attempt to become her personal assistant. If Salish can complete 5 challenges and pass an interview,
Hi, Miss Hilton.
Call me Paris.
she'll get the job. But it's not gonna be easy.
No, Violet. Colin, go. Colin, go. Hurry up.
Because Paris Hilton is going to give Salish full access to her house.
Oh my god.
And she can't mess it up. Salish, what did you do?
The one downstairs with no label?
Yeah.
It's like one of the rarest wines from France.
before you knock, are you ready?
Yeah.
This is huge. This is Paris Hilton.
I know, I'm
Okay,
ready.
you
I've
good?
heard she's so nice, so like it's gonna be chill.
Okay, did you print your resume?
Yeah,
It's a
wanna
big
see it?
interview. Yeah. That's your resume?
Yeah.
Dude, okay, just
Okay,
you
well,
should
I'm
use
gonna go.
own your resume.
Hello?
Hi, I'm Salish and I'm here for the interview.
Yes, Paris needs her latte, butter, toast, and jam ASAP. Please, the kitchen's that way.
Oh, I thought I was...
No interview. We really gotta get it going. Please, kitchen's that way.
Oh, okay. Okay, come on, Colin, let's go.
What are you doing? Shoes!
Oh, okay, I'm so sorry.
Come on, hurry up,
Okay,
hurry
okay,
up.
I'm sorry.
She needs it ASAP. Let's go.
All right, Colin, let's go.
I'll leave my shoes outside too. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, where do you think you're going?
I'm gonna go be with my daughter.
No, this is a Paris and Salish day. You can go downstairs.
No, it's like a father-daughter thing. We do it every week.
No,
It's
I
like-
said you can go downstairs. This is a Paris and Salish day. Come on, please follow me. Please, down you go. Hurry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can I?
No, she's in good hands.
Okay. I guess I'll be downstairs then. You want to come with me? Let's go. We are less than a minute in Paris Hilton's house, and Salish is under a ton of pressure already. That dude was super intense, right? But Paris is really nice, so what? And the worst part is that I can't help her at all.
All right, well, let's just start cooking the toast.
Say, we gotta go. He said ASAP.
Yeah, I know.
This is your first impression. If
I
you're
know,
gonna,
bro,
you're gonna be
you're
late.
stressing me out. Okay. How many pieces?
One's fine. Yeah, one's great.
One is good. Okay. Now we gotta look for jam and butter.
It is so crazy that we are in Paris Hilton's mansion. Someone from her team DM'd me and said that Paris is interested in interviewing Salish to be her part-time personal assistant.
You know why this is perfect?
Why?
Because it's from 5 to 9 p.m. and I'm like a night person, so I can go to school and then soccer and track and come to this.
Couldn't be more perfect.
Say hurry.
Oh, here. Okay. Hey, Colin, then do you want to help me or like?
I would love to, but I'm holding the camera. Also, that's not even toasted. What is this? You didn't even, what is that spread?
I only have 5 minutes, bro. It's fine.
Say, this is your first impression. It has to be like perfect.
I understand that, but I can impress her with my drink. He said that she wants a latte, but I have a way better idea, so we're just gonna do that.
What is it?
You'll see. Just
Why do you never
finish
tell
the
me these
toast.
things?
I'm looking for a new personal assistant, and I want to give Salish a chance. I'm going to give her 5 tasks to perform, and if she does well, she gets the job. Task number 1, my latte. It's very important to me that my new assistant listens to instructions and makes a great latte.
She's gonna add a little of everything.
Okay.
And this is Paris's creamer, so like she's gonna like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This isn't quite the same
Look
as the
at
Starbucks
it.
drink. Okay, yeah.
Okay, Colin, we're all good.
Whoa. Let's go check this out. Is this like a closet?
It's a storage room, not a closet. Ugh.
Now we gotta find a glass.
Definitely a pink mug.
This literally says Paris Hilton on it.
Little thick.
It looks good.
This is just cool. I mean, okay. I could get used to this life.
Colin, I need this job, and look at this. She's gonna love this.
I especially like the part where the toast isn't toasted.
You can actually order this at Starbucks. Just order these ingredients, and you can have the Naylor special.
If this was my style, I would be flipping out right now, but maybe we could try some stuff on anyway. This is silly now. Let's find another room. Oh, I should take this off. It's a little tight.
That's her.
Do you know what you're gonna do?
Hi, Mrs. Hilton. Here you go.
What if you dap her up? Yep.
Here you go.
I really hope that Salish knows what she's doing right now.
This would be the best job ever. Like living in this house and working for Paris. Like that would be so much fun. Hi, Miss Hilton.
Call me Paris.
Oh my gosh, your dog is really cute.
Iconic.
I know you like lattes, but I decided to make you something different called the Naylor special.
What is it?
It's just a bunch of things, and it's pink. So, I mean, yeah.
So I asked for a latte, so this better be good. It's really good.
Really?
Loves it.
Love?
Mhm.
Okay. Wait.
I have the cold foam. Oh my god, the cold foam tastes so good with it.
Yeah, I mean, the cold foam
Oh,
is really
toast.
good. Yeah, there's the toast.
Did you use my new pink toaster?
Of course I did.
That's hot. It's a little cold.
Yeah, you can put it back if you want.
But I love this.
Yeah, you like that?
Mhm.
Okay, perfect.
Little nailish.
Yep.
Slay.
Okay, I got my resume in my pocket for the interview.
We won't do the interview yet. I have another task for you. I have the premiere for my new movie tonight, but I left my jacket on my plane that I was supposed to wear tonight.
Plane? Like, you have a plane?
Yes. It's called Slither. It's pink. You won't miss it. And the jacket is a black leather jacket. It's covered in Swarovski crystals, and it says Infinite Icon, a visual memoir. So the jacket is on the seat that's right in front of the sliding doors.
And I get to go to the plane.
Yeah, but don't open the sliding doors.
Okay, I won't. Well, it was great to see you. I'll go do that.
Private car that will take you.
Okay, perfect.
I'll see you soon.
Thank you.
Bye, honey.
Are we about to go to freaking Paris Hilton's private jet?
Private jet.
That's great. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Trust is very important to me. So I told her not to open the sliding doors, and I left 2 of my diamond earrings on the floor, so I want to see if she returns them.
Whoa! No way! What? Whoa!
This is
Colin, look
sick.
at this! At first, I thought I was just gonna interview for the job, but I guess Paris really wants to see me like be her assistant for a day. But now I can show you guys my resume. I made a list of all of the jobs I've done, which most of them you guys have seen. I picked like making her coffee, walking dogs, her stylist, babysitter, photographer.
I just hope that Paris doesn't watch any of those videos because it isn't gonna help Salish get this job. And trust me when I say that Salish will need all the help she can get.
I think there's a big one that's not being addressed.
What?
Sincerely yours?
Oh yeah!
That's literally the biggest one you have.
Sincerely yours. Perfect.
Paris has a lot of products. Milk frother, tool set, makeup collection. She's got skincare. She's got a movie coming out. Like, she's got everything. Seems like there's a Paris Hilton kitchen collection. I didn't even know. We've got one product. One product with 4 SKUs and more to come.
We just got to the airport and I think I know which one her jet is. Whoa! Come on, let's go! Whoa! Colin, there's a kitchen.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
How'd you do that?
I didn't mean to.
Whoa, wait, that's actually sick.
Let's check it out a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Give us some time.
Look at the stitching, that's crazy.
Oh, there's some snacks. Oh, some perfume. This is her perfume. Ooh, how about like we wear it and subconsciously she'll like know we're wearing it and that'll give us the job, you know?
Good. Hey, what does it smell like? Oh yeah, okay, that was a lot, but yeah, no, it smells really good.
Mmm.
What's in here? I can go outside here. He said stay downstairs, but this is a downstairs door that leads me outside, so I'm going outside.
What are you doing?
There's no pilot.
You think you're gonna fly a plane?
I mean...
What do you mean, I mean? No, there's no flying a plane. It's Paris Hilton's private jet.
Colin!
Hey, say, remember when you did the pilot simulator at the school a couple years back?
No.
Whoa, wait, I'm doing a backflip.
This is different.
It's very
Yeah, like
different.
the buttons mean.
Don't touch any buttons.
Alright, let's just go get the jacket.
Just get the jacket,
boring. You're so boring.
Oh wait, look at that. How cool is this? You know what? This reminds me exactly what Lauren and I did for Salish and Hudson when they were little. No, we didn't do anything like this because when they were little, this was the size of our actual house.
Look at the jacket. Oh, Colin. Let me try it on really quick, you know?
Don't try it on.
Ooh.
Dude.
Do you like the back?
Yeah, it's cool, but you shouldn't be trying on the jacket.
Okay. Here we go. Let's just get it nicely folded. Oh, look at these diamond earrings.
Diamond earrings? Say, put those back.
Look at that.
Those are huge.
I'm holding like $1 million.
Uh-huh, and that you should definitely say.
What?
What are you doing?
Putting them in my pocket.
Oh, just to keep them safe?
Yes.
I don't play tennis, but this makes me want to play tennis. Wow. It's a winning shot!
You hit me. Colin.
What? No, that's the one place we were told not to go. We
Come
cannot.
on, she's not gonna know.
She will find
There's
out.
no way of her knowing.
What if there's like security alarms or cameras in there? Say, I told you, dude.
Go, hurry up.
Go, say, go.
Get in. Go, close the door.
Oh my gosh.
Go.
If Salish gets this assistant gig, then I'm coming with her every day to work, and so this is basically my house too. Right? Come on, this is cool.
Bro, that plane was crazy. She just gets in from her limo and then gets into her private plane. So that's just like what being a billionaire is like.
Yeah, and you would know it if you could keep your job and not open the door that she told you not to open.
Bro, it's Paris Hilton. Like, don't you want to see what's behind that door?
But she told you not to open it, and that's like your first day on the
I'm
job.
not gonna find out.
How do you know? She could have cameras, like anything in the jet. What if we get back there right now and she's like, why did you open my secret door?
I'm gonna be like, what door?
I'm gonna ride with you on this, but if she finds out, you're definitely getting fired.
If I get this job, then you can come too, and you can like swim in the pool, fly on the jet.
I'm always Team Salish, dude.
Okay.
You gotta be kidding me. They've got a whole like golf course back here. I'm getting there. Oh. Nope.
This is like the life. This is the whole reason I'm getting this job. Do you want like a drink?
I'm good, actually.
Now, Colin, you want a drink. You get a water. There you go, Colin.
It didn't have to be that full. No, I'm good. No, it's okay. Okay, yep, and it's over.
Did you see that? I killed that. Let's go.
You better go find that golf ball.
Totally. Yeah, I was planning to get it.
Go get the golf ball.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna get the ball right now.
Better not lose it.
Okay. I see it. Yes. No more golf.
Say, how are you supposed to work this job though? You're already so busy.
Well, I have school and then soccer and then track, so I can just do it right after those things because this job is from 5 to 9.
Oh.
So I would go school, soccer, track, and then this.
Oh, so it's after everything.
Exactly. We're back at the house. Colin, you need to get our jacket and just act normal, okay?
I got you.
Do you know how to do that?
Normal's my middle name.
I think Paris just moved into this house, so not a lot of wine yet, but what's here is probably really nice stuff. Yeah, Dom Perignon. I know that's nice.
Let's do a mock interview. I'll be Paris. What would you say is your biggest strength?
I'm not sure about that one. That's for you to decide. Oh,
Typically.
that was tough.
Okay, what's your biggest weakness?
I don't have any.
Good. Why should I pick you for this job?
I feel like it's a good fit.
Do you have any examples as to why you are a good fit, or?
No. Oh, excuse me. Here is your jacket.
Thank you.
Of course. Oh, also, I got diamond earrings that I just saw on the floor. I brought them back.
Thank you. This really means so much to me.
Of course.
A lot of people would not return these. And trust is so important.
Okay, also, I accidentally opened the sliding doors, but I'm like only 16 and I was really curious and I really like needed to know what was behind them, and I'm really sorry, and yeah. Is it okay?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, I totally get it. If I was 16 on a pink jet, I would have definitely opened the doors.
Yeah, I mean, I've never been on a jet, so, and by the way, your jet is like amazing.
You smell good.
Really? Thank you. It's your perfume. Yeah, I was on the jet and I sprayed a couple sprays, but...
The iconic bottle?
Yes.
Loves it. It's my fave.
Okay, well, I made a great drink and toast and I'm trustworthy, so like, can we get to the interview? I have my resume.
Not yet. I have another task for you.
Oh, okay.
Come here. Come here. Look. My own movie theater. Are you kidding? If Salish gets this gig, I'm coming here every day. Even when Salish is on vacation, I'm coming here.
So I have a lot of friends and guests and people that are always coming in and out of my house. So it's really important to me that my assistant is always kind and respectful and just really helpful with any of the guests, make them feel like they're at home. And I actually have one that's downstairs right now. So I would love if you could just go down there and just make sure that they have whatever they need.
Who is it?
You'll see.
Who do you think it's gonna be? I mean, Paris knows everybody. Like, all the Kardashians, she knows a lot of famous movie stars. She just had Sydney Sweeney over. Like, who could it be? Okay.
It could literally be anybody.
First of all, where are they? Excuse me?
I can project a movie from this iPad, so I never want to leave. I hope Salish gets this gig because I'm going to be here every night, 5 to 9 p.m. every day. Please don't mess this up, Salish.
Let's see who it is. I can't wait. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, little girl.
Dan?
Yeah, hi, how's it going?
Is there anyone else down here?
No, it's just me.
You're joking.
Why, what's going on?
You're the house guest?
I guess so.
Colin, I think we should keep looking.
There's nobody down here. I've checked every room, it's just me.
There was no famous movie star anywhere here?
No, just me.
Well, we were told to come down and see a guest.
Why? What's going on?
There's a guest downstairs and I needed to do whatever they say. But I just really don't believe that you're the guest. I thought it would be like a movie star or celebrity.
Paris Hilton sent you down here to do whatever I want you to do?
Yep.
I knew Paris was cool, but this is next level cool. This is sliving, slaying. Woo! Okay, you know what? I don't want to make you work too hard because you have a job to do and there's probably a lot. I'm just gonna, I wouldn't mind a spa treatment. Are you joking? No, let's do a spa treatment. I wouldn't mind a robe, I'd like a facial.
All right.
It just happens to be a room right next door. I've discovered it.
All right, let's go, I guess.
Let's go. This is everything. Cucumbers, please. So relaxed. Ow, wait, ow, 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 okay.
How is that?
Just the ow, ow.
Hold up, I gotta get some yum.
You're taking on my red light move. Could you get out of my red light, please?
What do you want me to do next?
I would really love a face mask right now to go with my red light.
Okay, I have a good one.
Wait, what is that?
No, Colin.
What?
We're not ready to show it yet.
Oh, okay.
It's coming soon though, guys. I like using it this way. How fancy is that?
Feels really nice. Salish, this really gives me an opportunity to tell you how much I really love and value our time together.
Hey, do you want me to rub this face mask in or not?
It's just really special. We get to do this every week.
I have an idea.
All right.
Are you getting the cooling feeling yet?
Yeah, it went up my nose.
All right, this looks perfect now, but you shouldn't use the face mask with the red light. I'm gonna go get a stack.
You know, a good spa should serve their client a glass of wine. I'd like some white wine, please.
Bruh. All right. Oh my gosh, bro. Wine? He doesn't even drink wine. He's just trying to mess with me.
I don't even drink wine. I just want to mess with Salish.
This all looks really expensive. This one looks cheap. Bro, Colin, I know I'm gonna get this job.
Oh, Salish.
It's okay. That wine was like the cheapest one there. Bro, Colin, this is all my dad's fault. If my dad didn't ask me to go get wine, this would never happen. Dad?
What did you do?
You made me break a wine bottle.
I heard it.
Come on.
Well, it's not my fault.
Come see. Just come see.
What? Salish, we gotta explain this to Paris.
I want you to come look at what you've done, bro.
Salish, what did you do?
I didn't do anything. You asked me to go get wine.
I didn't tell you to break it on the floor. Okay,
but
you know
you
what?
asked me to go get wine just because you wanted to mess with me.
Stop. We gotta talk to Paris. Clean this up. I'm gonna go wash my face. I can't meet Paris Hilton looking like this. Clean it up.
This is all my dad's fault.
It's a shame to wash this mask off too early, but I gotta do it. Salish is gonna make me take the hit for her breaking the bottle, and I guess because I like the billionaire lifestyle and I want to be a part of it, I don't want her to lose the job. I guess I'm gonna kind of take the hit, but I don't want to. It's not fair. It's her fault, not mine. This is ridiculous. Okay.
Tell her what you did.
I didn't do anything. Hi, Paris, by the way.
Hi.
Nice to see you. I'm Jordan.
Hello.
Dad.
Okay, fine. I asked for a bottle of wine and she broke it. And I guess that's my fault.
Why did I break it?
Because you're clumsy.
Because you were distracted.
Either way.
What bottle of wine was it?
Oh, it's like a nothing wine because it has no label on it. I will be happy to pay for it.
The one downstairs with no label?
Yeah.
That's a limited edition, one of one.
What does that mean?
It's like one of the rarest wines from France.
Like how rare? Like how rare?
One of one. Like one in the world.
Like what would that cost if like?
50K.
50K? Dad, you broke a wine bottle that's 50K?
I didn't break the wine bottle. I didn't break.
You broke it.
I'm really sorry that she dropped it. And I will pay for the $50,000 provided you can help me.
Yeah, I'd pay.
Out of curiosity, like what are we talking about like salary-wise for her?
That's not a question you
asked. Should be able to help like pay for that? Because I'm just thinking maybe she could help and we could split it 25 each.
You're embarrassing me, bro.
Okay.
Sorry about him.
Your dad is wild.
Yeah.
So another thing that's really important in my life is my dogs. So I really want an assistant that loves dogs too.
I have dogs. I love my dogs.
Perfect. Crypto. Come here, honey.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Hey, baby. So tonight with my premiere, I'm gonna bring Crypto.
Okay.
I was wondering if you could style and dress her up.
Okay, I got that. I'll be back in just a few minutes. This will be really easy. Come on, Crypto.
A sense of style is very important to me, whether it's a dog or a human. So if she wants the job, she better pick Crypto a cute dress.
First of all, look around, bro. This is a dog's room. This is the size of my room. Look how cute she is. What would happen if I stole this dog? We gotta pick out her outfit, okay.
While Salish works on her next challenge, I'm exploring everything in Paris's movie theater. I'm gonna get one of these pillows of my face for Hudson, Salish, and Lauren. They'll love it, right? Sandy, show what that would look like. Right, perfect. Who wouldn't want it? You guys can get one too. Link in the description. I'm kidding. That's horrifying.
I'm gonna put out 3 different things and we'll see which one Crypto goes to.
Oh. Maybe I should be Paris Hilton's assistant. I think Crypto likes me more.
I don't think so.
She's been on some magazine covers. Have I mentioned the magazine covers?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. It's this one. Put your head. Good girl. Look at how cute that is. Look. She made this outfit. She's gonna love it. See?
I'm not kidding, guys. I'm really enjoying myself down here. What? Nothing. I'm not eating her sweets. I'll remember that.
Crypto, just like imagine I'm Paris pose. No, okay, this isn't working. I think I have a better idea. Crypto looks super cute right now. What if I go like above and beyond and I take a picture of Crypto and then I print it out and put it in a frame? I'm definitely gonna get hired.
It is so crazy that we are in Paris Hilton's mansion, and here's how it happened. Somebody from her team DM'd me and said, Paris is interested in interviewing Salish for a part-time personal assistant. I was like, crazy, and even better, they said it was from 5 to 9 p.m., which is perfect because it's right after Salish finishes sports. She's a night owl, so 5 to 9 p.m. is absolutely perfect for her. She's been looking for a job, she wants to make some extra money, and who wouldn't want to work with Paris Hilton? I hope she gets the gig because I want to come every day.
Bro, this is like the craziest house I've ever been to. Paris lives here, and like after my interview, I'm gonna be working here every day, you know? What? Oh my gosh. Look at the pool. This is the prettiest pool I've ever seen. Over here. It looks cute. Sit right there. Oh, good girl. Crypto. I think I got a good one. Is that good?
That's really cute.
All right, let's go print it out.
Good job, Crypto. You're so good.
Paris has a movie, and it's good. She and I are basically gonna be besties, so I can watch it for free in my new movie theater.
Do you know where the printer is?
How am I supposed to know where the printer is?
Oh, it's right here. Bro, see, I'm literally made for this job, and it's perfect because it's only 5 to 9 p.m. So like school, practice, and then this, and I'll make money, like perfect. Okay, let me go get the print.
Okay, Say, but you still gotta like get the job and.
Oh my gosh, bro. Look at how cute. I have to make sure that it looks nice so that I can impress her. We have to find like a frame that she wouldn't notice if it was gone.
Why would it be in the bathroom? Wait. Say. Actually?
Colin, this is literally perfect.
Say Crypto's running away.
Get her, get her, get her.
I had no idea. Our lives were so similar. Okay, we didn't have the same kind of life, but she's a very compelling person.
All right, ready for the big reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Cute.
But then Salish did something really bold that she might end up regretting in the end.
Did you just throw the photo away?
Yeah, let's go, come on. Okay, here she is.
Oh, cute. Is this one of the dresses from my new doggy line?
Yes, it is.
Love the cherries.
Yeah, same. And I went the extra mile and I took a picture of her for you. So here you go.
So sweet. Look at you, you're a model. Thank you.
Of course.
Nice frame choice too.
Thank you.
So Salish, your final task is the most important one. So you styled Crypto, and now I want you to style me for my premiere tonight.
Oh, okay.
So obviously this is a huge deal. So I need you to pick out an outfit that will match this jacket.
Okay.
So just go upstairs to my main closet, and you have 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. Thank you. I'll be right back down in 5 minutes.
Good luck.
This is Salish's final challenge. If she passes this test, she'll finally get the interview she's been waiting for.
I gave Salish 5 minutes because it's important that my assistant can be able to work under time pressure. Plus, I want to make sure that she has excellent style sense.
Can't just sit and watch movies the rest of my life. Whew. Getting a little bored, but I wonder how Salish is doing with her job interview. Not allowed to go check, so.
Kind of delicate, and I'm kind of scared to touch them.
We only have 3 minutes though, so.
Please let this be a shirt. That's perfect. It's literally of her. I think like plain bottoms, like maybe leather pants or like a skirt that's black.
Say 30 seconds.
Okay,
30 seconds.
I know. But I don't know where these bottoms are.
Yeah.
Is this good?
Yeah,
It's gonna have to be
That's
good.
good.
Okay. We got everything.
Go.
Let's go. I'm so ready for the interview. I really hope that she likes this outfit. This would be the best job ever. Living in this house and working for Paris, like that would be so much fun. Okay, this is the outfit I picked. So first the boots match the jacket. It's like the same, you know? And then the shirt, I mean, it's perfect. And it matches the jacket with like the black. And then The skirt, I mean, you look great in skirts and it's just like a basic, you know? Yeah, I mean, you would look so good at the red carpet. This is like so cute. Oh.
You know what? I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I would pick that out too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
So, time for the interview.
Okay, Salish is doing her interview right now. If she nails this interview, she gets the gig. If she gets the gig, oh my gosh, this is ours. Oh wow, I'm excited. Salish has aced every challenge that Paris has given her, and now, finally, she'll get her interview. But first...
Before we do the interview, I just wanted to say thank you so much for this opportunity. It's really amazing. So I just wanted to give you a little present. It's our serum mist from my new skincare line. It's called Hit Refresh.
That's amazing that you have your own skincare line and you're only 16.
Thank you.
Like, I wanted to say that to you. Like, that is awesome that
Thank
you're
you
starting
so
a brand
much.
now. And it's just like a spray.
Yeah. And it won't ruin it.
So refreshing.
Thank you.
I love it. I have a gift for you as well.
Okay.
It's just a little something. Franco?
Thank you. Yeah, just a little something.
Open it.
Whoa.
Do you like it?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is awesome. Okay.
It's the Day face cream. It's amazing. Like,
wow.
It melts into your skin.
Oh my gosh. That is a perfect texture.
Did you see the mirror? It has one of my favorite rules. Never pass a mirror without looking in it.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, so like, can we start the interview now? Like, I'm so excited. And I'm not putting this on to like influence you or anything. It's just like a really nice sweatshirt, you know?
I like it on you.
Thank you.
You look good in pink.
Oh, I wonder how she's doing. I bet she's nailing it.
So you mentioned you have your resume?
Yes, I do. Do you want me to get it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay, here it is. So it's just like, it has all the jobs I've done, and I just thought that they would probably be pretty important to you because you want to know like the experience I have.
It's a little hard to read the
Is it?
crinkles.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I just didn't really know how else to put it in my pocket.
Babysitter, principal, teacher, photographer, stylist, dog walker, barista, many, many more. You've had a lot of jobs. Oh, 1 hour too long.
It's a lot of time. It's 2 days in total.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. None of this really matters. I have 3 questions for you.
Okay.
Are you a day or a night person?
Oh, by far a night person. Like, you don't even understand how much energy I have at night. Like, I'm gonna get a huge boost of energy after this. Like, it's not even late, you know? I'm just like, I love the nighttime so much, and I love working at night. It's really my specialty.
Okay. So how are you gonna handle school and work?
School, I've got it. You don't even have to worry about that. I mean, I'll get all good grades. Well, everything's good at school.
Okay. So I have one final question.
Okay. Where's she going?
I don't know.
How am I doing?
You're doing
Am I good?
Oh yeah,
Am I
you
good?
got it. You got
My
it.
answers are good.
Yeah, you're killing it.
Oh.
I was just wondering, is there any reason that this was in my trash?
Did you just throw the photo away?
Oh. No reason. I love that photo. It looked perfect in the frame. I just thought like, you know, I bet you would want a photo of your dog as well.
This is my favorite photo I've ever taken. Just kidding. I don't care about that.
Oh.
You have the job.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Yes! 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 Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I can't wait to get started.
So, Jordan, who DM'd you about this job? Was it Paris?
No, it wasn't Paris. Let me see. It was like somebody on her team. Oh no, it wasn't 5 to 9 p.m.
Perfect. So I'll see you tomorrow at 5 a.m.
5 a.m. You mean 5 p.m., right?
No. 5 a.m. to 9 a.m., 5 days a week.
Dad! Are you serious? Dad!
Why is it so hard to find a good assistant?
First thing I see when we walk in is the yellow shirt. Oh, and this guy is following us. Come this way, please. That person is right there. She just gave me a nasty look.
Sorry to break up the party, but you guys can't do that here.
This is madness. Hello everyone, I am in Minneapolis, Minnesota with the legendary World of Dance star Eva Igo in front of IKEA to see how many awesome shots we can get in 10 minutes for the 10-minute photo challenge. Eva and I have already worked together on a 10-minute photo challenge in Target, and many of you enjoyed that. One of you said specifically, why don't you try it in IKEA? So here we are. But first, have you pre-ordered my book, Born to Dance yet? Tell the people how awesome this is, Eva.
So awesome.
It's so incredibly awesome, and what's more, if you pre-order it before October 15, you get a chance to be flown to New York City, photographed by me. So please go to this link and pre-order Born to Dance. You will not be disappointed. I am very proud of this book.
It's great.
Our timer today is an apprentice at Twin Cities Ballet, Shannon. Woo! I've actually never been in an IKEA, but the way I figure it is this. The more we scout it out, the more they'll know we're up to something. So we're just gonna go in and shoot for the next 10 minutes, see what happens. And the way I think, we have no problem because look, it says IKEA bans guns. Doesn't say anything about camera, it says guns. This is a camera, okay IKEA? Are we ready? I'm freaking out a little again, are you freaking out?
Freaking out.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's walk in. Yeah, just chilling. Just chilling. We might need a yellow bag for a prop at some point. Here we go. Okay, first thing I see when we walk in is a yellow shirt. But she's not looking at us. And this guy is following us. All right, cool. Good, good, good. Could this escalator go any slower? Go do something in that chair. Right there. Right there, that's pretty. Let me look at that chair. Good, hold it right there. Good, right there is perfect. Got it, let's go. Wow, this is actually kind of cool. Hello. Actually beautiful, but keep hold. Oh, be cooking, go. Okay, go. Okay, good. Oh, that was cute, go. Go.
Alright, folks, sorry to break up the party, but you guys can't do that here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, apologies. Nice camera, though.
It is a good camera. We're doing a thing called 10-minute photo challenge. We go to places, we see how many shots we can get in 10 minutes. We're like...
Did you make it 10 minutes?
No, we made it 9 minutes, 20 seconds.
Really?
Yeah,
that's long. That's a while.
It's close.
Oh.
Could I do one last photo of her just standing with you and then it's over?
No.
I think IKEA would love it if we actually posted this. Do you want to just make a call to the owner of IKEA real quick? It's not going to happen in the 40 seconds, is it? Okay, thank you anyway. 9-minute and 20-second photo challenge. You should get Employee of the Month. That's how nice that was. Thank you.
I love your videos.
GoPro selfie.
Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. They were so nice. I think they wouldn't mind if we just finished our 40 seconds, right? Okay, cool. Well, I think we might be hidden here. So when I say go, we go 40 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, you're gonna go right in there. As you, obviously you knew that already. Okay, okay. Oh, and then you're not really shallow. Let's see if that one turns on. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, go. Oh wow, I can't get in and do that photo. Okay, good. Wait, oh, that's actually awesome. Come in. Come down, come down, come down, come down. All right, we have 15 seconds. How much time? 15 seconds. Do one last thing. Right, you're watching TV in some sort of cool way. You're watching TV. I'm gonna get a wide shot of you with the TV. 10 seconds. Oh, yes, that's it. That's cool. That's cool. I wish there was something on the TV, but... And time. Way to go. Thank you, IKEA, for the extra 40 seconds. We love you. Bye. Oh my God. These IKEA meatballs are delicious, don't you know? Eva, don't you love these?
Love them.
Today, my daughter Salish reacts to every video, shipping her with her best friend Nadal.
I think I did like you when I was 10, actually.
And at the end, she takes a shocking lie detector test.
Do you see yourself dating Nadal?
A lot of people
Salish has a crush on him though. That chemistry.
At the end of this video, I'll tell you how I really feel about him.
Cue emotional music, please.
No,
Cue sentimental music. More sentimental than that.
Oh,
Even
Dad,
more.
no.
Thank you, because this was the first moment that Salish and Nadal met.
You're messing with the wrong 10-year-old. No, you're messing with the wrong 11-year-old.
This was literally 15 minutes after you had met, and your relationship is exactly the same now.
Sandy wanted us to like look and face off like this, and we couldn't because we were laughing too much.
That was really cute. Say, I just want to know, because this was all the very first day that you guys ever met. Did you already have a crush on him, or is that just now?
Oh my God. So, you want to kiss? Yeah.
Okay, everybody out there, we went through all our videos and looked for peak moments where people rewinded and watched again. That was the #1 moment in any of our videos.
Thank you. Isn't he sweet?
And you know whose idea that was? I'm gonna give you 3 guesses. Me, Nadal, Salish.
Oh, it was Nadal then.
No, of course it was Nadal.
Wait. What is that? Ugh, I look so bad. Why is my shirt folding like that? And the colors with the pants and the shirt don't match? And why are my teeth so terrible? And my braces are so high up. My hair has so many flyaways, and I have a scratch on my nose.
Other than that, she loves it. These clips are gonna keep getting crazier and crazier.
I think I did like you when I was 10, actually. I remember that day he got me wet. He kicked water onto me, and I had to get a new shirt and new pants. I was mad at him. See, I'm soaked!
First 3 adjectives about him when you saw him go.
Bad looking, that's not an adjective.
Come on, you didn't see him and go, oh, you're ugly.
Yeah, I did. Look at those hairs. I like hanging out with Nidal because he has the exact same energy as me, and that's pretty hard to find.
Do not ship them. I don't want to see this hashtag anywhere. Wait.
You spelled Salish wrong.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, Nailish.
Wait, hold on. Really?
And
Is
then
she
the
not
rest-
how she spells her name?
Salish.
S-A-I... You're right, okay. Okay, there's no I.
My name is Salish Matter. I'm an 11-year-old level 6 gym vet. Hi, my name is Salish Matter. I'm 11-year-old.
Why do I sound so weird?
Seriously, your voice has changed a lot.
Meanwhile.
Ooh, he looks ugly. Okay, I don't feel as bad about myself now that I see it.
Like, you remember, like, you guys were still... Hudson's trying to run past the background without being seen. We're about to get to my favorite moment of any video we've ever done, ever.
Okay, guys, I'm going in. I looked very messy. Look at my hair.
What were you thinking right now?
Well, you said there's a small present, and I was like, that's not small. I definitely did not think it would be Nidal.
Now what?
I was happy.
That was so awesome. Look at that face, Sandy. Zoom in. Look at that.
No,
Okay.
don't zoom in on my face. Should Nidal kiss Salish on the cheek? No! What is my face in that? Yes is the answer. We didn't actually kiss each other.
Well,
he fell, but we didn't actually kiss.
the first time they tried it, Nadal got closer and then tripped, and something happened. Didn't happen.
He didn't kiss me!
You guys decide what you think.
Do you guys have feelings for each other? Or have ever had feelings for each other? Yes.
As a friend.
As a friend.
A lot of
Okay.
people cut that out and said yes.
In this bag, I have a lie detector.
I was so excited when you said that.
You were?
Yeah.
Why? Do you want to take it?
Yeah, it looks fun.
Okay, there's no lie detector test.
Oh, I wanted the lie detector test.
Same.
Okay, well, hey, thumbs up. We'll do a lie detector test challenge, okay? Would you want to go to a lie detector place and take one?
Yeah.
So we're going to finish these reactions, and then I'm taking her to get a lie detector test.
Okay, and then I can prove to all of you that I don't have a crush on Nidal, so keep watching until the end.
Maybe she doesn't. We'll find out.
Oh my God, Dad.
Maybe she does. And it's okay if you do, by the way. It would be natural if you had a crush on him, or if you don't, you're friends. And I love that too. You guys are awesome. Dude, he's trying to hide underneath the thing, right?
I have a shot.
No, you're not. You're not a shot at all.
Dare you two to switch clothes? Wait, even our underwear?
No, he's so... I remember that dress. That was like a 5'6". I wore that to my 3rd grade concert.
So you're calling him little.
Yeah, and it fits him.
We don't have to get emotional about it, but this was the last day you were going to see him. He was moving to Texas the next day. No, for real. I'm actually curious. Like, No, but for real, like, you guys have become really close.
3 things you like about the other person. I dislike.
3 things you like about the person, you immediately go to dislike.
Yeah. I also really like his personality.
His personality. That's so cute, though.
Oh my God,
It's just.
Okay, you're funny, you're nice. I'm trying to think. You know, he's just so overwhelmed by me in a good way. She's pretty. Thank you.
I've always wanted to know, like, what were you thinking in that moment?
I was expecting him to say she's pretty ugly.
But then he didn't, and then were you shocked that he was like calling you pretty?
That was so long ago, I can't remember, Dad.
You're getting a little redder.
Oh my God. He actually is kind of cute. Well, I have changed my mind since then.
Doesn't mean you have a crush, but do you think he's cute?
No.
Objectively, do you think he's cute?
No.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being vomit and 10 being gorgeous, where would you put him?
0.
Later in the video, the exact same question will be asked, this time with a lie detector.
Can you get us a couples photo?
Couple? How old are you?
For the record, they're too young to date, in my opinion.
I've heard like a couple stories that like 7-year-olds have girlfriends and boyfriends.
What? How old does a kid need to be to date, like, in your opinion?
13 or 14. Probably 14.
Well, okay, because you're gonna be 13 really soon.
Like late 14.
Yeah. Late 14. You heard it. Dating starts at late 14 according to sales. Well, lock it in. Lock it in.
Start the counter.
Late 14. Make it late 14.
No, late 13. I bet you didn't have any dates at 15.
No, I was very shy. Can we talk about the fact that in the last video we showed Nadal's room and the only thing he's got on his wall at all is photos of you?
Aww.
How did that make you feel when you saw that?
Yay.
I'm gonna get her to say something by the end of this video.
No, you're not.
I will.
I think I have one photo of him in my room.
You have a whole crystal.
I have the diamond crystal thing.
I think I have one.
Who's your celebrity crush? I know who Nadal's is. Nadal's is Addison Rae.
Is that still true? Is he still into Addison?
No, he's into Madison Beer. No. He doesn't like Madison Beer anymore. I don't think he has a celebrity crush at the moment.
He does, I think, maybe.
Remember my black eye video when I said I had a celebrity crush?
Salish is listening to her celebrity crush. Oh, this is big.
It was Harry Styles. But I don't like him anymore. He's a little too old for me.
No kidding. Oh God, are you tired? Did that just happen? Did you just click?
I need caffeine, I need coffee. Mocha cookie crumble, please. Extra whipped cream. Do I want the caramel ribbon frappuccino or the mocha cookie crumble frappuccino?
Decisions. It's tough to be a 12-year-old.
I don't know. Oh, can I have the mocha cookie crumble?
Yeah!
Actually, do I want that? I don't know. Wait, which one has more calories? Thank you, Ralph. Okay, guys, I've got my frappuccino. Now I'm ready to talk about Salish.
Spider Boy, you ready?
Yep. Wait, why do my lips look so good in that? I wasn't even wearing anything. I wasn't allowed to.
You knew Nadal then and you started wearing lipstick as a result.
I wasn't allowed to. I didn't own any. I didn't own any.
You're wearing lipstick there, but I'm
I didn't own any.
No judgment. I'm gonna get smacked
let's keep
before
going.
this is over. I can feel it coming. And she's been taking boxing lessons. Okay, ready?
Good idea.
I don't know where she's going, what she's doing, but I'm not happy about it. Oh God. Oh, okay. Ow! I didn't mean it. I actually didn't mean it. These clips are just gonna keep getting crazier and crazier. I want you to peel the thing back and just smile at him. Do not kiss him. That would have been a shocker.
No.
That's really sweet. That is so sweet.
Hey, that's no friend.
That's friends.
No friends do that.
Everybody seems to think that you guys have crushes on each
Could
other.
you actually stop?
Now's your opportunity to clear it up. A boy and girl can be friends. They should be friends. They're obviously just friends. That was a mic check.
But maybe there's a reason that I should stay put in Texas. Okay.
The kid's 11. He's got a beautiful voice.
Beautiful is a little bit of a stretch, but yeah, he's pretty good.
You want to ask her to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
And how are you going to do that?
Maybe like, hey, you're hot. Do you want to be my girlfriend?
If he was going to ask you to be his girlfriend, what would you want him to lead with?
You have to like be with each other for like 4 or 5 years.
Let's say hypothetically you met when you were 11, which they did. So maybe when you were like say 15, then he could say, would you like to be my girlfriend?
Needle, are you taking notes?
You gotta wait 4 years, buddy.
Yeah, sorry.
You're really nice, you're funny, nice smile. If you could only say one thing to you, which one would it be?
Well, I would want him to say you're fearless.
Oh.
How do you kiss her? Like,
Okay, first of all, you're too young.
I legitimately think Nadal does not think he's too young to kiss.
No, he probably practices in the mirror.
Do you think Nadal would be a good boyfriend?
Maybe as he gets older, not currently, no.
Why not currently?
He's a little crazy, a lot of energy. He loves his phone, loves photos of himself, looks in the mirror every day, has really not great hair. No, I'm joking. But he's sweet and he's nice, so yeah.
This is one of the most watched clips we've ever had in any video, and it caused a lot of drama. One of you is gonna have to call your crush.
It has to be you. Okay, I have to call my crush.
Nadal has to call his crush at the end of a video, and this is what happens. Call that person, whoever it may be. Salish is standing right there. Everyone's like, he's gonna call Salish. What? And he calls Peyton.
He's like a prankster, so he called Peyton instead to like just make a joke or whatever, because I don't think he had a crush to call. A lot of comments on my Instagram said, oh, Salish is so mad at Nadal because he likes Peyton instead of her. I'm good friends with Peyton and I'm not mad at all about Nadal, so yeah, it was a joke.
This is from a Nailish YouTube account. Who are 6 million people looking at this one clip?
No.
What?
You don't have a crush on Salish. To be honest, come on.
No.
You don't.
Okay, maybe I do.
Okay, whoa. Have you guys talked about that moment?
No.
Do you want to FaceTime him right now?
Hey. First of all, why aren't you answering my snaps? I sent you 4 and you left me undelivered.
Because I wasn't on my phone, me and you were filming TikTok.
Okay, anyway, you're reacting to this scene, so tell me what was going on through your head.
Oh my god, not this, no!
You don't know you have a crush on her.
I hate this video, no! Okay, maybe I do.
So what was going through your head then?
Nothing. Last year, shoot, my phone's about to die.
No, don't tell us!
This.
No! Tell us!
This is what's going on through my head.
You have no excuse.
That was just a joke.
It was just a joke. We might do a lie detector test, so we'll actually find out.
No, because it's gonna show my true feelings. Whoa, no, I didn't. I think I did like you when I was 10, actually.
Okay, you just admitted it.
Wow. Big Nailish news. Nadal liked Salish when he was 10.
Okay, bye, keep being ugly. Wow, that was funny. He had a crush on me when he was 10. Who knew? So I told you at the end I would tell you how I feel about Nadal, but today I'm gonna let the lie detector tell us. So let's go.
You know you don't have to do this at all.
Dad, I got it. I want to prove to everyone that I don't have a crush on him. Let's go.
Okay, here we go. This is John. He is a polygraph examiner. He can tell us what Salish is thinking.
I'm a little nervous, guys. Okay.
These are the 5 most requested Nailish questions we got from Instagram.
You really think Nadal's hair is ugly?
Yeah, it flops down like a broom.
That's true.
I always thought that you thought his hair was nice.
But I think it was nice when I first met him because he decided to get a mullet.
I had a mullet.
Oh my god, that was ugly.
That's true.
This is so fun. I like this.
You think Nadal is cute?
No.
That's a lie.
I don't! When I first met him, I was like, oh, he's one of the more handsome guys I met, and now I don't think that.
That's true.
There was a point at which you thought he was cute.
Yeah, like when I first met him.
And at that point...
And then the hair did it for me.
Okay. Oh, the hair. Nadal, lose the mullet, she'll think you're cute again.
I'm not sure about that.
Do you miss Nadal?
Yeah.
True.
Could you just cue some sentimental music for a second?
These final 2 questions are the most requested. Now we're getting serious.
Okay, I'm ready.
I don't even know what the question is.
Do you have a crush on Nadal?
No.
That's true.
See, I told you.
Wait. There's one more question. Do you see yourself dating Nadal when you're older?
Oh, no. Yes.
That's true.
Okay.
I'm not talking about right now.
What, like soon?
Well, maybe.
That's true.
What? Today, my daughter Salish tries to catch her brother Hudson in an epic game of hide and seek.
They're right there! They're right there! Run!
Go, 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 go! If she tags him before time runs out, she wins the Matter Cup.
Where are we?
Salish and her friend Harper have no idea where they are or what they're about to do. You can take off your blindfolds. The key to the handcuffs is somewhere in this mystery box. You have 6 hours to find Hudson and tag him to win $2,000.
Starting right now, baby. Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
In this case, it's $2,000. If you catch me, you keep it. Let's go.
Wait, he's so lucky. I want to ride in a helicopter.
This is crazy!
Whoa!
Oh, wow, we're actually going.
Whoa! How am I gonna catch him?
Okay, this is something.
We need to get a head start to make where we can set up the first location, so we had to take a helicopter.
We have so much more stuff planned.
This is gonna be crazy.
What is in there? I'll take one for the team, guys. Okay. What is this? What is in there?
We've got a good head start, but we gotta hurry up and get to that first location. They're gonna be right behind us.
This feels so weird.
If Salish cannot tag Hudson in 6 hours, he wins $2,000 and the Matter Cup.
If I win the Matter Cup, Salish will be making me breakfast in bed for a whole week.
Oh my god.
Ew!
What?
It's like green slime.
I'm taking one for the team and I'm gonna shove my whole arm.
We're gonna be landing in a separate helipad and then driving to the first location. This gave us a huge head start. Here we go, we're landing. We got a book.
A car's waiting for us right there.
I have an idea. This might be breaking the rules, but like whatever.
They're getting away, guys!
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Team Hudson, we got this.
Let's go, baby.
We have so much setup to do at the first location. We have to get there.
Oh my gosh! Gonna ruin my nails.
I think I found it.
Really?
I found it!
We already played this game once. We chased Salish. She won, always wins, but hopefully this time too. You gotta win. Team Hudson!
Oh, okay, we gotta go to the bathroom. We have to wash our hands.
Guys, I have something to do. It's all in our way.
What? We forgot one thing. Okay, now we're ready.
Let's go. What is that?
Is that a Cybertruck?
My gosh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
I really want to win, but I want the girls to be safe even more, so I arranged for the safest car with the safest driver.
I'm a real police officer, so I'm good at catching up to people.
Awesome.
I'm a driver's training instructor, so I teach police officers how to catch bad guys.
Got it, awesome.
There you go.
So I think he's in the plane right now and he's just like above here.
Uh-oh, wait, hang on.
Oh no! Guys, there's a police car.
Just keep your hands in plain sight.
Hello.
What seems to be the problem?
This is the tarmac of the airport. You cannot be coming inside of here. You have any permit or anything?
You know, I don't. This is a new vehicle, and I know it's kind of an off-site facility, so I wanted to just kind of test it out a little bit. I'm a police officer. I'm off duty right now.
Last time Salish had us pulled over by the police. We're gonna try the same thing. Hopefully it works.
You gotta slow him down.
What division are you?
I work for Southern California.
You think she's gonna know?
Yeah.
This is for sure.
This is for sure a prank.
Who are you with? I don't recognize that badge.
We're here in the area as well from the airport.
Go, Cody, it's fake. Cody,
How
it's
about
fake.
you? Is this a setup?
No.
Cody, it's fake.
Oh, I don't have any
doing?
plates too, right? Is this a setup? It's a setup, isn't it?
They're gonna get
They're
right.
It's a
getting
setup,
away.
It is a setup.
Okay, all right. Appreciate it.
Go, 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 go.
Sorry, if it was
I'm telling
legit,
you, it
I
was
would
a
be in
setup.
trouble.
Hi, babe.
Hi, love. Team Hudson or Team Salish today?
Team Hudson.
There we go. We've got something special planned for Salish later with Lauren. Wait till you see what it is.
Salish, if you win this $2,000, what do you plan on doing with the money?
Buy a dog.
A dog?
I might honestly buy a Cybertruck.
No, he's now 11 minutes away.
Oh my gosh.
All right, hang on.
This is so fast. Oh my gosh.
Hudson and I scouted everything yesterday, but somehow it went the wrong way.
Okay, they're at like a Macy's. This is so fun.
This is so much fun, guys.
Cody, are you Team Salish?
Oh, absolutely.
Yay!
We're gonna win that Matter Cup. Let's go!
Yay!
Woohoo! Matter Cup.
I want to win the Matter Cup. Not because I care about the Matter Cup.
Oh.
But because you care about the Matter Cup, and that matters to me.
Okay, thank you. Ow, okay, that was a little much at the end.
Come on, big boy.
We gotta go.
Okay, they're stopping, and it looks like they're at a mall.
We can trap them and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
You might have to be the runner though, because
I can run pretty fast.
I'm faster than Hudson. What if they're buying outfits to disguise themselves?
Oh yeah. Oh hi. Okay. Hi. They must be Team Salish, obviously. I mean, so if you were top Matter, what would you make your dad do?
Get me another dog. I want a really big dog. Like
Actually?
I want a German Shepherd or a Labrador.
What? Their phones are gonna fly out of their car. What are they doing?
No.
What? What?
No, I wasn't looking and I didn't
miss?
take the wrong direction.
Is that our exit?
That's it. 8 minutes again. No.
We're here. Yes, I want to show you something. 10 Hudsons. Wow, this is crazy. Salish did this to us in the last video, so we're doing it to her. We're gonna have 10 Hudsons. You're all gonna have hoods on. You're gonna try and get her to guess that it's you and delay for us, okay? This is Areli. She's the manager of American Ninja Warrior. She's gonna help us out today. She is on Team Hudson. 1, 2, 3! Hudson, I can't hear you!
We're 5 minutes away, guys.
If anybody sees Salish, do not tell her where we are.
There you go, there you go. Now no one will know who it is. Go, 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 let's go, boys!
Right near an American Ninja Warrior Adventure Park.
They are. Oh, wait, turn left here.
Left,
No,
okay.
no. Oh yeah. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
Some go over there, so everybody is visible to her. She'll know by the face, so you have to have your back turned.
Oh, wait. Can I get your phone number really quick?
Yes.
I'm gonna call you so we can find the car. Come on, let's go,
right,
let's
good
go.
luck.
Thank you. Thank you. They're next to Dan Jewelers. Dan Jewelers.
Here's the plan. Salish is gonna come right here. Stall her to make her check in. Whenever somebody uses your facility, they have to watch a video, right?
Right.
Make her watch the video.
You have to be extremely strict.
Okay. Is that a security guard or is that a fake one? Is that a real one or a fake one?
I don't know anymore.
Okay.
I don't understand. We took a helicopter and used a police officer decoy, and they still got here almost as quickly as we did.
Dude, I think they're about to be here. I'm so scared.
Okay, maybe it's upstairs.
Guys, this is
Right there.
The goal is to distract Salish long enough with the fake Hudsons that we can get out through the emergency exit, get to our car, and speed away before she catches us.
Not in there.
She's about to enter. Are you guys ready? You ready? Okay. Salish keeps winning the Matter Cup. I want somebody else to win it just once. That's gonna be Hudson today. We got this. Boom!
Where are they?
They're here.
We are only 10 feet away from where they're gonna be. I'm nervous, I'm freaking out. This all comes down to the manager keeping Salish away from Hudson.
Yeah.
Long enough for him to be able to escape to the car.
In here. I know they're in here.
Excuse me.
I know they're in here. Hi.
Hi.
Did two tall people come in here? Both boys?
Perhaps, but I gotta check you in first. Sorry. Just give me your name.
Salish?
And your last name?
Matter?
Yeah, you have one. Let me go ahead and give you a wristband.
Thank you.
Okay, and then you still have to watch a safety video. Sorry, can't let you go that easily.
What? I'm saying we just ditch her and run 4 minutes. Listen,
No,
we
you
don't
guys
have the
can't go.
time.
I'm sorry, you still have to watch it.
Hey Salish! Hey Harper, how you doing? Wow, this is so much
Can you
fun.
just be Team Salish?
Shit, she's going. We gotta go, we gotta go.
They start running. Let's just go.
Oh, come on.
Salish, Harper, come find us. Bye-bye. Go, go.
Hopefully the fake Hudson's distract her. Let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go.
I left that way so they don't know where we are. Here we go.
Bro, we're right there.
We can literally catch them.
Let's get out of here.
Jump in, let's go.
You guys are all good to go.
Okay, thank you. Wait. This is planned. Why are there... Harper! Look, there's a pattern. They're all in a black hoodie and they're just jumping. That's something.
Why are they all in a black hoodie?
Hudson bailed so fast.
It looked like they were coming, dude. I don't know.
I don't know how to get out of here.
Go, just drive fast.
Oh my gosh, we are stuck in this parking lot and they're gonna catch up to us.
Who are you? Look around me. Oh, what? That's not Hudson. Who are you?
Team Hudson.
Oh, God, okay. Where are they? Guys, where are they?
Hudson was supposed to stand there and taunt her and he just bailed.
I just dipped.
That's not Hudson. That's not Hudson. God. Oh, hi, okay.
Team Hudson.
Where is Hudson?
They are going to hate the next thing.
Do you know where Hudson is?
Tell us where Hudson is, just please.
Can't collaborate with the enemy. I'm
Just
sorry.
do it.
Hudson.
They're not in here. We have to go.
They're not here.
Tracker. They're not at the mall anymore. They left.
They left?
Let's leave.
Okay, let's go.
Salish is calling, Salish is
Dale's
calling.
calling.
Hello?
Hey, little girl.
Hey, that was so unfair. That was rigged.
Yeah, it was rigged. I mean, we're in charge. We're gonna rig everything.
Didn't you rig it last time?
Can you just give me a hint of where you guys are?
We are hiding in the ninja course.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
We are. We're in the ninja course.
Do you promise?
No, I don't promise.
Okay, he doesn't promise. Bye. Okay, we gotta go.
We gotta go, we gotta go. So you're gonna go around and just go straight.
Okay.
Oh, no. Yeah. I don't know.
We just passed Angel Stadium, and you might be seeing it later.
Oh yeah, this next location is probably the best one yet.
They lured us into the ninja course and there was 10 different
That was
Hudsons.
so annoying.
Hi, Ian.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Good.
It worked. They're still there. We're racing to the next location, which is going to terrify Salish.
Why is that?
Because it's, well, you'll see.
Netflix? Cool. I'm like obsessed with this car. Can we switch the prize to winner gets a Cybertruck?
That would be so cool.
I think we have about a 10-minute head start on them, which means we got to get there and we got to set everything up in only 10 minutes. We don't get them set up in time, then they catch us. This is going to be such a close call. We are going to be only feet away from them this time.
Angel Stadium to the left, you got the pond to the right.
Wait, my brother sent me this yesterday, so maybe he's at the stadium. We're trying to catch up to them, but they're not stopping.
This is a high-speed chase, guys.
We are coming up to the property.
We're so like in the middle of nowhere that there's a good chance they won't find us. Should we just hide like in the bushes?
We're at the location, but I got to turn the car around because we're going to have to make a quick exit. This is a legitimately creepy house that actually had a in it about 50 years ago. Okay, That's creepy. Salish and Harper are both freaked out about jump scares. They're gonna start with this creepy stilts dude, and he's gonna have a sign right here. This is creeping me out and I'm outside. We got gasoline and some rotting thing.
Where do you think they're gonna go?
They're probably trying to slow us down somehow, so how would they slow us down?
All right, let's go. Let's talk to all this. Can I have all the scare actors here? The point of hiding here is because Hudson has the tracker.
Yes.
Which means that they're gonna be lured in here with the tracker, and then once they're in here, we can bail through the door, get out of here before they can turn around.
We're actually pretty close. We're actually pretty close, guys.
And they're in their bright red Tesla.
Your job is to creep them out. They come in, and what happens? What are you gonna do?
Stop. I'm out.
Okay, that's gonna work. Elena is a very nice person. She's a scare actor, not a creepy person, scare actor. Salish and Harper are gonna be fine.
Where are we?
I don't know. The middle of nowhere.
Legit spider web, legit whatever that is, and rodent poop. I'm trying to block our passage so if they get past him, somehow we have a chance to get out the door.
I saw Red Tesla going the other way. I think I saw a familiar face in there.
Actually, he saw a familiar face. Okay.
Wait, did he?
The idea is that we leave, and if they are able to follow us, like lock them out, then they're gonna go out around the other way. Not the best knot tire. Ah! I did not just do that. I am fully panicking right now.
Sorry, false alarm.
If we saw the car at a red light, I would get out and try to get in the car, honestly, and I would just tag them.
I would get out.
We still have 4 hours left to hide from them.
Just 1 hour at a time.
All right, here we go.
We're 7 minutes away now.
What?
We missed it. We were supposed to go up this road right here.
No.
Can you do a U-turn?
There's rattlesnakes. Ah! So I'm trying to scare them. Look at this. Bones, lots of them. That's a big animal. We might as well use them to creep them out a little bit more. They might think these are fake, but they're real.
Okay, awesome. We just turned around and we're 3 minutes away. I think it's coming up.
We got about 3 minutes left. There's poison oak, there's rattlesnakes, there's rats and mice, and bones. You would think a dad would make a fake haunted house for their daughter. Not this dad.
We can't miss the turn. Oh, really? Here.
What?
No! Cody!
I thought a police officer was behind us.
My gosh. Turn around. You know what? Let me take the wheel.
Depend on us to turn this time.
All right.
Okay, it's right here.
Gonna forward drive.
Yay!
Wow, this is a steep climb.
Yeah. 900 feet away from them.
We're literally off the map.
That's my dad's car.
We've made a little fort here. They wouldn't be able to get to us right away. It gives us time to get out the door, lock the door with the rope, and then get to the car. You're gonna go out first as soon as I go. Okay.
That's my dad's car.
What's happening? What is happening? What is going on? What's in that bag?
Harper! Yeah. Harper. My pants are...
Oh no.
What was that? It's scaring me.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. He's not gonna hurt us. Guys, this does not look good. Oh my gosh. What is that?
Rowan?
I'm scared.
No, you're coming
You know what?
inside.
I'm taking one for the team. Let's go. Come on.
Wait, does it say they're in there?
They go inside to find Hudson.
Why are there bones?
That's a different story. Are there any exits to this house?
Only this one.
They're getting closer.
We should invite Cody to come with me. Come. We have to go invite Cody to come in with us. Cody! Cody! Come with us.
All right.
We need your help.
It's like a scary house and you're a police officer.
All right, what do we got?
Okay.
We have to go
this is
inside
a scary
there
house.
and find Hudson.
This guy is so scary.
Let's make sure this is locked so they can't get out.
No. Oh, perfect. We're getting directions.
Oh,
All right.
guys, we have to lock this
This
so that they
person
can't come out this way.
Might be on our side.
Okay, let's just go.
I see bones. I'll watch this side of the house, and how about you guys attack the front door?
No. I think you should go in.
Yeah, I think you should go. God.
Try to run the fastest you ever run, because they can get around. She can catch you. She's fast.
All right, guys, there's no way I'm going out there. That is so scary. I'd rather go inside.
Okay, there is no way I'm going inside, so I'm going out there.
Good idea. Let's go, Cody.
Yeah.
They're right there.
I am so scared to go inside. That's
this.
why I have Cody right behind me.
this.
I am so nervous. I don't know.
Oh my gosh. You're here to clean, right?
Is that blood? What is that? No.
They're gonna come through that door, and then we're getting out of here.
Harper's inside taking care of the house, so I'm gonna check out here because they're for sure gonna be hiding around here. What is that?
I'm so scared. I can't.
Why am I so scared?
We didn't want to make it too scary because I want to legit freak them out, but this is creepy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Why are there so many bones?
It's up there.
Who is this bug?
Maybe they're in here. Nope, not in here. Okay, I'm leaving.
Oh my gosh, guys. What do I do?
Sailors! They're outside! Go! Sailors, come on! Go!
fast.
Get the car.
Hurry up.
Get out of my way! They're outside, Salish! Cody, go get the car started. We gotta go. Come on.
Get us out of here. Hurry.
Come on, we gotta go. Come on.
Hurry. Go. They're right there. Oh my gosh. That was so close.
Come on, we have to hurry. Get the car started. Come on, we gotta go. Come on.
Was Salish outside or where was she? I only saw Harper.
I don't know.
You gotta get out of here.
Go. We gotta get going. I know it's steep and narrow. Those people, it was so scary.
Dell, is everybody set a target?
No, we're kind of running behind a little bit.
What's wrong? What's happening?
We have the Hudson doubles, but we need the stroller for the decoy. We don't have it yet.
Okay, do we have the mom?
Yes, we have the mom, but we have no stroller.
If we don't have the stroller, I don't know what we're gonna do. The whole game plan is that we're gonna put Hudson in a baby stroller and have a mom pushing him through target, see if Salish realizes it.
Turn left. I am still shaking from it. Oh my gosh.
How did they already get so far away? They're already 7 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
Here we are, next location, Target and a baby stroller for Hudson.
If Hudson wins the $2,000, he'd probably invest it into a YouTube video.
Boring. If we won, we would use it for more important things.
A dog and clothes.
And clothes, dog, makeup, whatever,
Yeah, I need more makeup and clothes.
Wait, how much time do we have left?
There's still a couple hours.
Are you my mom for the day?
Yes. I thought it was an actual baby.
No. Pretty tall, but hopefully I can fit.
We only have a couple minutes. This is a baby stroller that's been configured to fit Hudson. Let's see if it works.
Can you hold it?
I got you.
This is not a good day to be 6
Please
feet
fit,
tall.
please fit.
Kind of. Wait, I gotta be covered?
This is our mom for the day. No, but this is not gonna work.
If the timer runs out and we have the box, then we get the money. But if the timer runs out and they have the box, then they get the money.
We have to tag them.
I still see your head. Oh God, this is a problem.
But look, you're not gonna go up to some random woman and demand to see their baby.
I think we can raise this.
Oh, yes. Tuck your head in. Oh, yes. If they say, can we see your baby? We don't believe that's a baby. You have to say, what? Excuse me?
That's my baby. It came out of me.
Yeah,
Right?
There we go. Okay, she's ready.
Harper, if we get the box, we'll split the money.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's do it. We got the money.
My wife is reliving the moment where she used to push Hudson in a stroller. Oh, this is gonna be rough. This doesn't look at all like a baby. When Salish and Harper find us here at this Target, they're gonna be tracking him. They have no idea that Hudson will be hidden in a baby stroller with an actress who's pretending to be his mother. These guys are the decoy Hudsons from the Ninja Park. If she sees you, she might come up to you again. Do you think she'll fall for it twice? I don't know.
They're at Target.
Target? Okay, perfect. At the light, turn right. Or left, I'm so sorry. Oh God.
Look, that's not bad. Do you think she's gonna know?
I'm inside. Hopefully Salish and Harper don't recognize me.
You taking a nap?
Oh yeah, you bet.
Dude, this is not bad. Hud, you good? Did he fall asleep in there?
I think so.
3 minutes? Do we wanna just walk right past them?
Yeah, you should.
We're 1 minute away now. 0.6 miles. Keep going straight.
Okay, they're pulling in. Lead her to the back. When she gets led to the back, we'll have her come forward. We're filming a little YouTube video.
Okay, unfortunately, I can't have any filming in the store, okay?
We just got busted. I'm not allowed to be in Target because they caught me filming. I have no idea if he's about to get busted.
All right, so I'm gonna pull right up front and drop you off.
I hope there's no more jump scares.
Hudson, the plan is... They're here. That's the car. Car's going right there. Look, it's right there. And now I gotta get out of here. The truck is literally right there. If they're watching me, they see me leaving right now, but they also saw me without Hudson, so now they know Hudson's on his own, plus he has the tracker. Oh no, this is gonna fall apart. Hudson, as soon as I tell you, have the mom push you outside and then get out and get into my car.
Is that Hudson? That looks like him. No, that's not Hudson.
No, that's not Hudson. There's 2 more Hudson.
We already know that's not Hudson. We gotta keep going, guys.
I'm freaking out. All I have to do is wait for them to come out with the stroller and pick up Hudson and we go. Stressful!
We have to find them right now. Let's try here. If we win the money, we can get all that stuff at Ulta.
That would be so cool.
I feel blind. I hate this.
Maybe they're in the food aisle because they're like hungry.
Gosh, I don't know.
Okay, where would they be?
Are we closer? Okay.
We're 900 feet.
900 feet away.
Why are we going the opposite way now?
What? Are they teleporting through this wall or something? I don't know. Give me that.
Now we feel good.
All right, let's go.
I can't have you parked right here.
Okay.
No parking. Okay. I need you to leave right now, okay? No parking.
I'm not trying to, I'm sorry if this guy is literally just telling me to basically leave.
Maybe we should check the towels and toilet paper. I've seen a video where they hid before, so maybe.
Oh yeah, they make forts in the toilet paper? Yeah.
And there's only one exit, so if we corner them, they can't escape. No, they're not here.
They're not back there, guys.
Ooh, what if he's in a suitcase? He could not find me. Oh, I need to find him. Should we ask the fake Hudson?
Yeah. If the fake Hudsons aren't outside, then Hudson, the real Hudson, probably left.
Yeah, they're not there.
They're not there, guys.
Should we call him?
Yeah.
I'm trying to call my dad because I just tried to call Hudson and he didn't answer. Everyone's being all sus and we had to like take away our waters.
Roan had to take away our waters.
And Kelly's here.
What if I was thirsty? Come on now.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Okay, guys. Something definitely is happening.
This is so crazy.
Yeah, for sure.
At Starbucks.
Where are they?
I don't know what it would be though. What if the guy tells us to stop filming? Nothing sus is going on.
There you go.
Thank you.
And we're recording in the store, okay?
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
We were filming and we got kicked out.
We have to find out where they are though.
They're 3 minutes away.
3 minutes away? The guy's out here again.
Okay.
They weren't there.
Oh.
I see Hudson right now.
Is he coming out?
Right in front of my car.
I was sure we caught him.
If the girls had just turned around, they would have seen my assistant Rowan with Hudson in the baby stroller. But they never looked.
Where's Rowan?
Oh, there they are. They're right here. It worked. Tell them to come out. Amazing. Hudson, hurry, hurry, hurry. The security is watching us.
I mean, I'm a little cramped. That was crazy.
Come in. We got to get out of here before they're coming. Thank you so much.
Damn, dude, that one was a smoke show.
Okay, Hudson, come on, dude.
They left! Oh my gosh, come on,
like 4 minutes. Okay,
we gotta go.
Wow, that was insane. I think I heard Salish and Harper just like trot by.
There was one entrance and one exit, and
How
he was
would he
actually
leave?
in there. How did he leave?
I have no idea what happened because I was stuck outside because I get kicked out.
The workers were a little strict. I don't understand how they would have got out.
That was actually insane. They walked right by me. That was absolutely so stressful.
Now we've got something planned with Lauren. This is going to drive them crazy.
I can't wait.
Hey, Hudson has a crush on his fake mom.
True.
Well, it's a very pretty young woman.
Dude, here's the plan, okay, love? So Lauren is right behind me, and we're going to Angel Stadium. Plan is we're gonna find a single lane road. You're gonna be in front of me. You're gonna stop when I tell you. Hudson's gonna jump out and get in your car, and I'm gonna block them so they can't get to Hudson.
Got it.
Wow, but first we gotta let them catch up to us. That's why I'm not in a huge hurry. All right, here we go. We've had 3 close calls so far.
Oh my gosh, where are they?
Right here. They're right here.
They're gonna be here any second. You have to get in front of me, and then we're gonna go into that lane.
Where that truck's
Yeah,
turning?
into the entrance right there. We'll be on the phone together, and when I say stop, just stop. They're gonna be here in like 30 seconds.
They're right there.
See them,
They're
I see
right
them, I
there.
see them.
Cybertruck is coming.
Well, I can't stop in the middle of the road.
Oh no, no, no.
Okay, let's get out of here. Go, go, go.
They're right there.
All right, I can't make a left here.
Honey, forget the plan. They're already in the parking lot. We gotta beat them to the stadium.
Okay. There's a literal game happening. What are we gonna do?
What if they go on the field?
Oh my gosh,
Turn right here.
Go.
Hey, there they are.
Go, get
Go,
him.
Salish, go.
I don't care, sorry. That's why you look both ways. All right, go.
Where'd they go? Oh, I see them.
Keep going.
Go, 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 go. Oh, you don't have a ticket, do you? I think you need a ticket to get in.
Oh yes, we have to get a ticket, but Hudson's in the stadium.
May we please have 2 tickets for like the game right now?
Hi, come find us. You got about an hour left to get us. Bye.
We got the tickets. Now we need to find Hudson.
I lost Hudson. I have no idea where he is. Hudson, go to the 3rd floor, center field, behind the rock where we took that picture yesterday.
I don't really know where I'm going. Of course.
They're so cute, but they're slowing us down.
She's gonna catch us. I went the wrong way. What a surprise. Going to center field. We gotta hurry. We gotta get in disguise.
Whoa. How are we ever gonna find them?
We gotta hide for 39 minutes, and they got a tracker. This is gonna be tight. I'm not gonna win the Matter Cup this week. It's either gonna be Salish or Hudson. Seriously rooting for Hudson so she could lose just once.
How are we ever gonna find them?
We have 33 minutes. We have to hurry up.
We saw your dad.
Where?
Over there.
Actually?
Yeah. He's all the way over there in the restaurant.
The Topo Chico one?
We've arranged to meet some people in center field to set another decoy for Salish and Harper. Oh, he's there.
Salish matters, brother.
I am.
All right. I'm gonna take this photo and send it to Salish to give her a clue. Now I send that to Salish, see if she can find us. Meantime, we get into costume.
Over there?
They're gonna give our position away, right?
Guys, everyone gather around. If you see Salish, you cannot tell her we're here, okay? I need you to all be on Team Hudson. 1, 2, 3, Team Hudson. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's go, Hudson!
I'm not gonna lie, there's a bit of a giveaway.
We're gonna change into costume now.
Salish is getting mobbed. This is crazy. But they know where her dad is at, so it's perfect.
Okay, bye. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
They're right there. They're right there. Where are the Hudsons? Come here.
Okay, my dad just sent us a clue. It's right there. I know where that is. We just walked past it, so let's look.
Listen, please don't tell Salish we're here, okay?
They're wearing jerseys, I guess. That's what some other people said, to try and disguise themselves.
Oh, they're here. Come down. Now we're gonna get into our disguise, which might not be a great disguise.
Oh my gosh, there's the rocks.
But he's not there. They probably wanted us to come all the way over here just to leave. That was for sure just a disguise. We have to go back that way, I think. Because everybody said they saw him over there. I think he was just trying to prank us. We have 25 minutes left.
25 minutes? Oh my gosh, we gotta hurry.
They're around here somewhere. We're gonna check the seats.
Guys, where?
How are we gonna find them?
I don't know.
I'm so stressed out right now. We are just sitting ducks. The good thing is I don't know if the tracker can tell which level we're on.
We're gonna try like 2 levels up.
We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Salish is calling me.
Hudson, where are you?
You gotta come find us, little guy.
Can you give us a hint, Huds? It's a huge stadium. The tracker's not working.
Didn't you look at the photo I sent you?
I went to the rocks and you weren't there.
All right, that might have been a lie.
What?
Do you want us to come to you?
Yes.
All right, well, wait a few minutes. We'll come to you.
Okay, bye.
What'd he say?
He said if we go to the rocks, he'll come find us.
Should we go?
That's weird, okay?
It's not fair if we just hide somewhere for 22 minutes because they can't see which level we're on. Tracker's not working, so we gotta get close to make this fair. In 22 minutes, somebody's gonna have the Matter Cup and $2,000. But the Matter Cup.
The place is right there. Oh no, we only have 19 minutes left. Something seems weird about how he's gonna meet me.
There's no way he's gonna wait for us.
How's that? You'd never know. We're in the center. Shh. We're hiding from Salish. They saw me. 1 second. You're Salish's dad. That's the worst disguise ever.
They said they would wait.
Right here.
Guys, we're getting a call from her.
Where are you? We're waiting right here.
Well,
Okay,
we'll
keep
be on our
waiting.
way.
I feel like you're tricking us.
We might be just stalling until the time runs out so we win our money and the Matter Cup. Somebody has something to say to you.
Team Hudson!
We're gonna be seeing you soon, bye. We have 10 minutes left to hide, and it's only fair if we get really close and see what happens. Otherwise, we could just hide in a hole for the rest
We
of the
only
day.
have 10 minutes.
He said that he was right next to this place and that he was gonna see us soon.
Oh my god.
Salish and Harper are getting swarmed by some subscribers, so this is the perfect chance to get right by them and they won't even notice.
Let's go, Angels! Let's go, Angels! Angels!
Yeah!
This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Let's go, Angels!
Okay, that's it.
Oh, she's right there. Let's go, Angels!
Go. What? No, go! Let's go!
Sorry, here's Hudson. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Here's Jordan. Go, 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 go. Where'd he go?
Angels fan? Angels fan, yeah!
All right, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. I see him.
Oh no, they're right there, they're right there.
Go!
Where'd he go?
Oh, they're closing on him!
Go, go, go! Hudson!
I might jump on the field.
Oh, they're gonna get to, oh!
Yes! Yes! We got it! Yay! We got it!
I was this close.
There was only 4 minutes left.
I was gonna jump on the field.
I know you were, yay!
Good job.
We got it!
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
What are you gonna do with the $2 grand?
We're going to Sephora. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Not again, are you kidding me? She won again, I need a kiss, I really need a kiss.
Oh, you gotta wash your face.
Oh.
You messed with the wrong 8-year-old.
I guess he's going. Hello everyone, I am in Santa Monica with the Grav Gang versus an 8-year-old. This is the Grav Gang versus superstar 8-year-old flipper Nida. Let's get ready to roll.
Whoa, 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 calm down. We gotta tell them what we're doing first.
Oh.
We're actually about to battle Grav Gang versus 8-year-old in a game of grab. Basically, it's like a game of horse with basketball. If you make the trick and then the other person does the trick, no one gets a point. If one person does a trick and the other person tries it and messes up, that team gets a letter. And once you spell out the word grab, you lost. Are
And
you
there's
ready?
a serious consequence for the losing team. Let's get ready to roll! Challenge number 1, they each have to complete a Fool Pop Fool.
No! It's Fool Pop Fool!
Whatever they just said in round 1, let's do it, go.
No!
corn. You go first. Let's do it.
Let's get it, corn.
You're going down the door. Let's go the door.
I did not think he could nail that. Okay, this kid's a superstar.
You messed with the wrong 8-year-old.
Nobody's got a letter. This is round 2. Do we have a representative for round 2?
I call myself a trip.
Okay, they're gonna do a bunch of back handsprings, landing with a flash kick. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
Let's get it, guys.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Let's go!
I gotta give it to you, man. Killed it.
All right, so right now the grab gang has a G.
Sorry, guys.
And Nidal has nothing, so he's in the lead. Okay, so the third challenge, jump off something higher than yourself.
How about take them down?
All right, let's check this out over here. Come here.
Take a leg.
Are you taller than this? Stand right under it. Let's see.
Oh.
Very important. Nidal, can you do this safely?
Yeah.
Jack, can he do this safely?
I mean, based off his Instagram videos, I think you got it. You think you got it?
Feel good? If you get up there and you feel unsafe, that's okay. All right, let's go. Get up there. Somebody help him up.
Let's go.
That muscle up, though. Okay.
Come on, send it.
Go.
Tony Dog.
Got it.
Whoa! Whoa! Are you kidding? Bro, you killed that. Are you taller than a lifeguard tower?
Negative. No way.
Okay, so you got to jump off a lifeguard tower. Good luck with that. Okay, you got to sneak. Oh! God! Oh my God! Whoa!
Let's go, Paul! I like to party.
Wow. All right, that was insane, Saul. Good work, glad you saved. Okay, the score is still G-0. All right, you got your next representative for the challenge?
Yes.
Oh, Brad! I want you guys to do a backflip to a split. Let's do it. Oh!
Come on, Britt.
Let's go, Britt.
Let's go, Britt!
Oh, okay. I can't do a backflip or a split. That was, all right, Nidal, you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Got this, go, hit it.
Okay. All right, we are at a tie score now. Who is the next Grab Gang rep? Oh, okay, Jack. Remember when you did flips for a kiss?
All right, one quick one on the cheek. Bye. Yeah, that was easy.
Okay, well, guess what? We are going to do flips for a high five. I'm going to give you each 1 minute, and whoever can get more flips for a high five wins that round. You know what you got to do? You got to go up to people. You got to flip. You got to get a high five. You ready?
Let's get it. Already got one. All right.
Sit. Go.
Wake up, legs. Can I do a backflip for a high five from each of you? Ready? High five. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4, 5. Oh!
30 seconds to go. 30
Boom. Are y'all counting? Because I lost count, baby. Woo! Boom, boom, boom.
That's time.
How many was that?
Did anyone count?
No.
I lost count after like 30.
He didn't do that many flips, and he did a lot of high fives, right? So you do a flip, and then you get a 5 or 6 high fives, apparently is the way it's going. Okay, you got this, I'm rooting for you.
Ready?
Start with me.
Go.
1 high five.
Let's go,
okay.
Dal.
Keep going. Good, all right, keep going. High five. Go.
Over here to Dal.
Go. Come over here to the crowd. Go to the crowd.
Go. High five, everybody. Go. Hands up.
Go.
5 seconds.
One more flip. Yeah! Time. Whoa. I have no idea who won that.
Honestly, I have no idea.
If y'all think Nadal won, I need a round of applause. Let's give him a lot of energy. If we a lot of energy. Oh, wow. So I'm just going to the dog,
All right, the score is now Grav Gang GR, Nidal G. You are in the lead, my man. You feeling good?
Oh,
Yeah, the next one, a wall flip. Nidal, you flip off this wall. All of you flip off this wall.
I don't know. It's really slippery on the wall.
I don't think I can do it.
I don't know if I could do it in this setup though.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Are you good? Wait, we didn't get it.
Oh, no, you can't wall flip. If you hit a wall flip right now, you are winning GRA to G, man. You are one step away from winning this whole thing. Can you wall flip?
Yeah.
Get it. Hey, come on, bro. You got it.
One.
Go, you got it. What? Take him, take him.
No, you beat us. Throw him over
Oh,
there.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Look. Oh! That was sick. That was a good
Dude, Nidal, you are killing it, man. Whoa. Who is this kid? Way to go. This is exciting. We got GRA to G. My man, you might be able to win it this round. Are you okay? All right, here we go. Who's your rep? I want each of you to stick a castaway off that bar.
Let's go.
Yeah, can you do it?
Let's go, you got it, man.
Let's go.
We cannot lose here.
Too much power to it.
You are the youngest person to have ever done a castaway, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So if you do one now, you win this and they get a serious consequence. Are you ready to do that?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Let's cheer them on, guys. Come on. Come on, Nidal, you got this. 8 years old, castaway. You're the only one that's ever done it at this age. Go get him, Nidal, for the win.
You got it. Come on.
Let's go, Nidal.
Yes, this is it. This is it.
Come on, Nidal.
Come on, be the best 8-year-old you can be.
That was a crazy consequence.
Today, my son Hudson and 6 international YouTube stars play extreme hide and seek in Dubai's Museum of the Future. The surprise ending will blow your mind. The winner gets whatever they want. When I find each contestant, they must be tagged to be eliminated. You get 1 minute to hide. Go!
Oh, shoot. No, hide us.
I'm not running.
Why are you fast?
I need to hide it.
Competing today are 7 YouTubers with over 70 million combined followers, and they've collaborated with the biggest creators on the planet.
I'm trying to get up into the slide so I can hide up there. Oh, that's fast.
59, 60, let's go find some famous people. Okay. You seen famous YouTubers? They're hiding around here. No? Anybody in here? I'm coming down, so if you're there, you're gonna get kicked in the head. All right, last chance, I'm coming down. I'm too old for this. Whoa, why is this so fast? Oh! Did somebody come through here? Really? They were actually in there?
I'm trapped. I can't go back out that way. Oh. Look at the balls.
Sandy, who was it? Seriously, who was it?
I can't say.
Dude.
Ah!
Did you see anybody with a camera go in here? You did. I saw it in her eyes. Yes. This is what relaxation will look like in the year 2071. Not that I'll be around. Okay, what the heck?
He's here. Did you find them?
No, but somebody was in there, right?
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Do you know where's the best place to hide?
We're gonna hide him.
I'm trying to hide. I'm in space right now. I'm hiding in space.
Oh, thank you. This is special access. They don't know I'm coming. Whoa! I've got him. He's coming right towards me. Watch this. Got you.
Ahmed Nasheed has been caught.
I know where is everyone.
You know where everyone is? Really?
Yes.
Okay, all right, hold on. Let me just.
He's not there. Go search. Go search.
Hold on. This is a maze.
They're like, I'm winning. Where's Jordan?
Okay, they're trash talking me on WhatsApp. Ahmed is a traitor. He's with me.
Oh no!
I'm gonna call Usi. How you doing? What does that look like? I'm coming to get you, man. Okay, I'll see you soon. I know where Usi is. You've got to go find other people, okay?
All right.
You go that way, I'll go this way, and I'll meet back up with you.
If I win, I'm gonna make him do something he is scared of. We're gonna get on the elevator. Oh shoot, I see him!
It is absolutely...
Jordan.
What? Are you kidding? Oh! Are you kidding me?
Go. Okay, we're in this room now.
Hi. How are you?
It has all these kind of cool colors.
Okay. This is my favorite room. There's like thousands of specimens in here. If it was me, I would hide in here. Wait. Is that Michelle? Michelle, I see you. Excuse me. I see you. I see you. Did she go this way?
You're her.
Where'd she go?
Oh my God.
So close. We're playing hide and seek. Has anybody seen anybody hiding? No? Okay.
Look who's here!
Hi.
Bro, let's try the events hall.
Oh no, wait, this is going down.
No way, bro.
Oh shoot, I see him! Get down! Get down! No!
No! Faster!
He's right! He's getting busted by security so he didn't see us.
Because I'm looking for people, but they're not in there, right? Not allowed to be in there? They were in the elevators. Are you kidding me?
Okay.
We almost was there.
That was terrifying. We got it. We won this.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love this space. Wow.
They're up there, look.
They're over there. If I can't find anybody, I have some tricks up my sleeve.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's Benin.
Ahmed, I'm coming up.
I will test this thing on Benin. If she find me, then it will not gonna work to stay in this location.
Where did Ahmed go? Look at this. How cool is this? Oh no. Jordan is coming up. Oh, here's Blabla. I found you.
Yo!
Jordan is coming up.
Oh my god.
To tell you my top secret plan. Yeah. I have a full head to toe disguise. No way. In a bathroom. Phase 2 of the plan is commenced.
The wig is on.
Our disguises are complete.
I'm going up alone. I changed everything, my outfit. I don't know, but there's something really nice here in the middle. Oh, look at it. It moves away when I walk.
Oh my god, I just walked right past Norris. He did not recognize me.
These guys are very, very good hiders.
Look at this guy.
We're back. We did it. Oh.
Try to call him.
My dad?
Yeah.
We're gonna go against this white wall.
Hudson's FaceTiming me. Hey, Huds.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at this guy with the whole team trying to catch us.
Hey, you want to show me around? I saw a white wall. That means it's like 2/3 of this building.
Look at this. I can see him.
We can see him.
We can see him. Look at this.
They looked up and they saw me. What, where?
He thinks that he saw us and he can't.
This is a genius idea. Okay.
I have no clue it's me.
Is anybody up here? There's nobody in here? Okay.
The top area is full of white, so he thinks we're on the top.
Wow, this is amazing. Okay, this room is cool. Okay, I think it's time to make a change to this game. Everybody, you have 5 minutes to hide on floors 3 or 4. Go. Oh, they're just messing with me.
We are here.
I told you that's what he was doing.
Look at this. Yes, we did it.
They just taunted me from the 3rd floor. Look, Reese, right there. He's like right there. See them? Right there. Look. Ah!
Yo, all right, go. Go downstairs.
We need to use this elevator.
I got them.
Imagine him being in the front.
Oh! Got him! Got him! Oh, got him! Got my boy! No! Got him! Ah! I'm not running. I'm gonna let him come to me.
So happy. I think I will win this. Oh my god, it's Blair Blair.
I saw him. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. I'm not messing around.
I'm gonna try the hand thing again because it's literally the funnest thing in the universe. Benin came and she passed right by me and she couldn't recognize me. And I'm like, ah!
He's catching Benin. He's catching Benin.
Okay, so I just finished it.
How can we get out of here? Oh no! No! Where'd you come from? I was just watching you.
I saw you.
Hey, get Osama.
Wanna help me find someone?
Yeah, let's do it. He's coming this way.
We're going to the exit.
Osama is helping him now.
If I don't find someone soon, I got a big twist. Look, 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 look.
Oh my god! Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god.
Guys, I did my best, wallah.
What you would have gotten if you had won?
Actually, I would have had a Lamborghini now.
Oh god, thank god. We have 2 more. I've got a plan.
They are here, they are here, they are here.
Okay, so it's Noor versus Michelle. Okay, I haven't seen either of them, okay?
Let's go to Michelle. Oh my god, we're the last two. We're the last two.
Michelle and Noor, you have 5 minutes to hide in the lobby.
Oh my god.
For the championship. I'm not gonna look. Oh, I wanna look. Oh, no.
They're right there.
Oh. It's 4 minutes. I'm waiting 1 more minute and then we go. I'm not looking. Go to the tables. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. It's Michelle and Noor for the championship.
I'm in the lobby. You cannot find me, Jordan. Look at me.
It's down to Michelle and Noor. Who do you think's gonna win?
Michelle.
Noor.
I think Nora's.
Noor.
Hometown favoritism. I see how this is.
She just knows the police better.
Okay, okay, that's true. She knows better. We're all gonna stay together, but only I can tag the person. Okay. Are they up there? Don't you think one of them would be hiding in this clump?
That's what I would do.
Raise your hand if you're a famous YouTuber. Me. I know somebody's hiding here. We're playing hide and seek.
I just walked past the line and nobody saw me.
Come out, wherever you are.
I think it's Michelle.
Does this open?
Oh, look at them. They're there trying to find me. There. They cannot.
So nobody's in here.
Maybe they left.
Oh, okay.
They are here. My heart is racing. I'm shaking.
They are good. They are so good. You're hiding. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm sorry to do this. I was rooting for you.
I thought I was the winner. I was.
Did you put on this disguise? Michelle, you won. Everybody give it up for Michelle. She won this thing.
I know where's Michelle right now.
Can I please have a selfie,
Of
please?
course you can.
Thank you so much.
That blew my mind.
Did you really think I was a fan? I was just.
This is the world's largest bounce house. And today, 9 YouTubers will be chased by my daughter Salish in an extreme game of hide and seek.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
The winner will get an awesome 2-day yacht trip in Mexico. Hiders, there are 6 bags up here, 5 of which will help you win and 1 will sabotage you. You have 2 minutes to hide.
I'm nervous. Me too. We're gonna crush this.
If you're willing to take a chance, you can come up here and grab 1 bag. Go! All right, let's get out of here, Say. Good luck, guys.
Oh my god! I got a bag!
I am not risking getting a bag. I'm gonna take all the time to find the best hiding spot.
We got a bag! Listen, here we go!
Oh my god, this is gonna be difficult because of how wet the ground is.
A minute 19, a minute 18.
I didn't get a bag. That's gonna hurt me in the long run, but I'm gonna win this.
Yo, this place is massive. There's water everywhere. Oh!
We have to find and tag each hider, and once they're eliminated, they get a consequence.
Choose your desired color and blend into your surroundings.
No way! That's what I'm talking about right there. Use these items to fend off the seekers.
Okay, so I have a bag full of morph suits that will help me camouflage into anything.
Is it cool if I hide with you?
No, that's not cool with me now.
Drew and I are gonna team up because I'd bring him to Cancun and he'd bring me.
I need to get like on top of this slide. Might be dangerous.
Something unexpected, like trying to get under something. Oh my god, it really went in here. It's so hard.
How do I even get up there? There's no way Salish and Jordan are gonna be able to get up here. It looks literally impossible. Come on! Yo, I can only imagine how hard it's gonna be for Jordan.
If I paid you $50, could I get your backpack?
You can. This will help you camouflage.
All right, I'll pay you $50 after.
No, you pay me now. He's not gonna pay me. I just lost out on my backpack.
I'm a subscriber, and I got in this video by commenting on their last video. This could be you.
49, 48.
Me and Britt each got a bag. We're gonna see what's inside.
Mine's an extra life.
What?
Let's go.
This item will reveal the seeker's location. Password is 12. This is gonna see where the seeker is at all times. All right, I made it on top of the tallest thing here. I could fall off the edge at any moment.
Ben! Ben's right here! Hey! These things are really cute. Tell me if you can see me. Can you see me?
You're good.
We have like 20 seconds. They're never gonna find me over here.
19, 18, 17, 16.
There's like a little tight space back here.
I'm gonna hide in this separate empty house. I'm gonna escape route right here.
Sandy, I paid Lexi $60 for this, and it's definitely not worth it.
3, 2, 1, ready or not, here we come! Climb up there, see if you can see anybody.
Okay.
Salish is looking around. If she can see you, that was a stupid move.
I think Salish can see me.
I see someone!
Oh, we're coming after you. I don't even know who was it. Who was it?
Drew!
Oh my god, I can see them coming around the corner right now.
Oh my god, we found him in 5 seconds. Say, flush him out.
I see Jordan and Salish, but I think I'm in the clear.
Whoa, he went that way.
Yeah, I see!
Oh my god, they are literally right around the corner right now.
Dude, oh man.
He's right there. He's literally right there.
Oh, they're coming over here. They're coming over here.
It is so wet down here.
It's
Look at that.
soaking!
Where'd he go? We lost Drew.
So I'm a college student in LA. I'm living alone in LA. I'm barely getting by. I'm trying to make ends meet. This cruise would be insane.
Look, look, look. Ah!
Oh no! Oh no!
I found Nabby!
No!
No! Why is she so fast? No!
Oh my god! Guys, she found me. I need to go.
I found Abby, Drew, and Britt and didn't tag any of them.
How did you not tag them?
They're so fast.
I think we're gonna have to work together.
So when I see someone like Drew,
Okay.
you wait on the bottom while I go up to get them, okay?
Okay. By the way, if we don't find everybody in an hour, we get a brutal consequence.
Dude, come on, let's go!
It's time to open my bag. Wait, what? You must reveal your location when announced. And I have an air horn? I shouldn't have grabbed the bag. No. If I win this thing and I get the trip to Cancun for 2 people, I'm taking my girlfriend Hannah. I actually saw the yacht in a trailer for Yacht's Life. I hope I win. The yacht looks amazing.
Dad!
Okay, say, you see anything here?
Yes.
You guys, Jordan and Salish are right here.
No!
Salish, get her! Get her! She fell!
Guys, I've been found.
Are you kidding me?
No, go get her! She's right through there! I don't see her! Maybe she went this way. Where is she? I have no idea.
Okay.
Come on. Did she go this way?
Did she go up here?
Well, I don't know. Where'd she go? Did she go this way?
I think I lost them.
Not up here.
That was a close one.
You're smiling, Sandy. What happened?
You were close.
Ah!
I found Jeremy. I copied his spot. Guys, Salish found me. I was in a panic.
We're in this together?
Yeah, we are.
I think I'm gonna have one of the best hiding spots in the house because I think this is one of the tallest slides here.
I found Lexi.
I'm gonna get my spot away.
I paid $50 for this.
You haven't paid me yet. Okay, my walkie-talkie! No!
I'll save it for you, Lexi.
I got it! Be quiet!
Oh no, I just saw him.
I'm gonna win this challenge because I'm camouflaged.
All right, you guys, let me know if you can see Hudson.
Bro, you can't see me.
I'm pretty sure you can.
There's something in here.
Oh my god, okay. You've been pranked, Salish. Salish? I'm so pissed for that.
If I brought you to Cancun when I win,
Okay.
do I have to pay you $50?
You know, I think that you just want to take me on a trip.
No, that wouldn't, that's not it.
I need to find a better spot.
This is so slippery. My hiding spot sucks, so I need a better spot. Okay, there are now 3 people up here.
They're right there, dude. I see them.
I see Hudson! And I see Lexi!
Oh my god, 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 she's looking right at me.
I found someone! I found someone!
You go, distract him. No. You go.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
No, Jordan's waiting at the bottom. We can't go down.
Are you kidding? I got you. What are you thinking?
I don't know.
Go ahead, go.
What? Oh wait, Salish, they're getting away. What happened?
Keep going.
Dang it, I really wanted to go to Cancun.
Well, too bad.
If I win the Cancun trip, I know who I'm gonna take, but I'm not gonna say who it is unless I win this. So you guys will see, hopefully.
Go, go! Oh. I escaped once. It's all or nothing now. I'm gonna win.
Lexi has been caught.
You really have to tell everyone?
Yeah.
You ready for that consequence?
Wait, what?
We all know you would have brought Andrew! Give it up for Landrew!
I'm gonna show you how close they are.
We all think Landrew's a thing.
It's bad enough I lost. Now I have to deal with this.
And now for the consequence. No! Oh my God!
Lexi is down. We're coming for you next.
They're coming. I'm gonna get up here. If we need to slide down, we can. Okay.
Abby, join me in my spot.
Yeah, Lexi just got caught.
Guys, this is getting so scary.
Okay, she thinks she knows where Britt is. Salish. Go get her!
Get them!
No, what the heck? That is not fair. Actually not fair.
I gotta go.
How fast is she? Got you!
You just fell for no reason?
I got you!
Because I have an extra life.
Oh no! Britt has an extra life. You have 1 minute. Go!
I feel so bad. Jordan just wiped out.
I'm taking it for the team, people. Torn Achilles. I do it for you. Subscribe.
What color is this?
Blue.
This.
Blue.
What color is this?
Green.
All right, let's try this. I think I hear him coming. We gotta be quiet.
Britt, you're right there. They're right there. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
This guy saw my spot earlier and he stole it.
I did. I'm gonna take the suit off, but I gotta be slick.
If you have the air horn, you must blow it right now for 10 seconds.
No, here goes nothing.
Where?
Where's it coming from?
I see it! Who is it?
No. Slide down. Go.
He went down the slide!
Come on, get me, babe. Come get me.
Run.
Where is he? What? Actually, what? No!
Oh my God, that was close.
No!
I got Hudson!
You didn't get me! No! I got Jeremy! Oh, yes! How did he get up that quickly? Salish, go that way! Go that way! But we didn't get him again.
Oh my God.
Guess what, Jeremy? There's no way to get out.
Ah, no!
I got him.
No! Dang it! I just lost a trip to Cancun. Jeremy got caught. What a freaking idiot.
Jeremy did this to me in his video, so it's payback time.
Oh! Oh! Wow! Does anybody have any towels?
There you go.
Hello, everybody. Please come and meet me at the Yellow Hill.
They think this is hide and seek. They're in for a surprise.
Last person to tag me is eliminated.
Oh, what? If I can't beat Hudson, then I deserve to lose.
Bro, we're bros, dude.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I need to beat you.
We're in this together.
Only one of us got to make it to the top.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Okay, good. Oh my God, they're all slipping. They're all slipping. Hudson, you're my brother. Okay.
Oh my God.
Can you help me out here?
I literally can't run. I can't run. Hey, $100, pull me out.
I already got him.
Let me toss this shit.
Ben, go to another. Oh, no! What? He's eliminated. I did not see this coming.
I let everyone down.
Time for the consequence. 2 minutes time. 1 minute 60.
I have an idea for one thing you probably don't want to do.
What? All right, guys, subscribe to Jordan Matter. Help him beat me to 20 million. He deserves it way more than I do.
We're gonna post that everywhere.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Bro.
Ow! Right now, Hudson's my target practice. Hudson, come back here! Ow, you're right. I just swings back in here. I'm in a puddle. It's so like, ew.
Amp Squad is gone. We're coming for the rest of you. This place is sick, actually. This is fun.
I really want to get Hudson.
We only have 30 minutes or we get a consequence, say. Do you see anybody?
Is there anyone up here?
Salish, we're splitting up.
Okay. I need to find Hudson.
Where are they? Salish, I'll find them and you go get them. How's it possible that nobody is here? You guys are all really good hiders.
This phone right here, it's tracking Jordan. So at any moment, I can see how far away he is. He's like 65 feet away.
I better go fast because Salish is really fast. Ooh.
Get Anna!
Oh no!
She's gonna go in there. Oh, you're done.
Oh no! There's nowhere to get out.
Yeah, 30 feet. Yeah, I didn't get somewhere else.
She did the same thing Jeremy did.
True!
Oh, we got 2 of them. I'll stay here. They can't get out. Go get them. Go get him. No. Say he can only get out here. Go get him. Oh! Got him! Yeah! I thought he was gonna win.
Where did Anna go?
Drew is toast. Run for your life, Brent! Brent, we're coming for you next.
I'm so sad that Drew got out. But I'm still proud of you, baby.
Time for your consequence. 3, 2, 1.
It's my last video, Jordan.
Comment below who you're rooting for. Who are you rooting for?
Not Hudson.
I have no better spot. I'm gonna hope they don't come that way and just hide back here.
Okay, I think someone's in there. I'm gonna go that way, you go around.
Oh. No! Salish, you wanna do it?
I wanted the chance. I was gonna take you.
Sorry, I have to give him a consequence.
Oh, I'll give him the consequence. I'm gonna wax him. This is my favorite part of this video. Gotta warm it up a little more.
Bro.
3, 2, 1.
Ow! Ow! What is... Bro, what did you do?
4 people left. Congratulations. It's time for another challenge. Salish and I are each standing blindfolded with $100 in our hand. If you have courage to come take it out of our hands, we're waiting for you.
I could get out. I really need the money though. I don't play about money.
This is so weird. I can't see anything.
Come on, people!
I heard splashes. Oh my God.
Don't get me wet, please.
I don't know who you are.
Just come!
Do it already!
Come. Please don't get me wet. I feel someone. Please don't hurt me. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah,
What happened? Did she get away?
Yep.
Nobody else wants $100?
Where'd she go? I see her. Where did she go? Wait. Camera.
No!
Sorry!
It's okay.
Yes, I got someone out!
At least I got $100. You know I don't play about my money.
But now you have a consequence.
Honestly, I would have done it again.
You're a subscriber. I hate to do this, but for your consequence, pick a hand, left or right.
Right?
You going right?
Yeah.
Okay, left was a pie, right is $1,000.
No way! Thank you guys so much.
Everybody subscribe. You can be next. Time for an obstacle course. The hider with the slowest speed is eliminated. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go, Sophie!
Oh, Sophie, yes.
Come on, Sophie.
Oh, this is where she's gonna get hard. She's killing it.
Go.
Here goes a flip. Oh, she lands a flip. Here she goes. She's got to climb up. She's a beast.
Go!
Boom! 20.91 seconds.
This is like Britney's like style. I have a better chance of beating Anna.
Go!
Come on, Anna!
Here comes Anna. She's going fast. Oh, actually, it's getting tight.
Go!
It's 50 seconds. Go! Go! You can do it. No, keep going. Keep going. Go! 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 26.93. Britt, you have to beat 26.93 to advance to the championship round.
You got this, Brett!
I think Britt's for sure gonna make it to the next round.
Baby, don't forget, we gotta go on a yacht!
I feel like Britt's gonna go really fast, so kind of nervous.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go!
Okay. Oh, she's gonna. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh my gosh, she's going slow. Oh, Britt, gotta do the flip. Britt, you better hurry up. Oh my God, Britt, this is so close. Oh! 27.7. Whoa!
Oh, that was actually really fun, but it was so slippery I thought I was gonna die.
It comes down to Anna and Sophie for the championship.
I was honestly rooting for you because you two are so cute. Anyways, you lost, so now you have to drink this.
I literally hate pickles so much. Oh, why did I smell it?
Go!
I hated that! Drew, wait up for me!
For the final round of challenge, you get 1 minute to hide. You cannot repeat a hiding place, and you have to stay in the main section on this side of the blue line. 1, 2, 3, go! As down to the final 2. 30, 29, 28, 27, 24, 23, 21, 20. Down to the last 10 seconds now. 7, 6, 2, 1 for a trip to Cancun. Ready or not, here we come. Should we stay together or split up?
Split up.
Come out wherever you are. And somebody's, oh.
Back up, Salish!
Okay. Dad! Sophie!
Shoot. Oh no.
Okay, stay. Whoa, those things are strong.
Salish, back up!
The bullets are out.
Where's Anna?
You don't have any more bullets. Oh no. You're trapped though, Sophie.
I'm stalling to see if Salish gets Anna first.
Forget it. This is hard.
Are they coming?
They are both up there.
I'm coming to get you.
All right, guys, here you come. Whatever happens. Oh, Sophie, you're going. Wait. Salish, get Anna. Salish, can you get Anna? Anna. Oh, got it. Oh my God. Oh no, you won, Sophie.
That was a great idea.
That was really smart. Anna, your consequence is you lost. Sophie, who are you taking to Cancun?
I think I'm taking.
Whoa! One, two. Hello everyone, I am at Carter Scherer's house in Los Angeles. I'm doing an underwater photo competition between Team RAR and the squad. We're gonna do a bunch of sick underwater photos with props. I'm gonna pick my favorite photo from each team, post them online, and the losing team has to ride the plane. So So one thing you guys might not know, to stay down underwater, you gotta use a weight belt. Whoa! Oh.
Let's just get started.
Here we go with the hat of dares. Inside are the props. Pick something and read it to us. What is the first photo?
Take a shower?
Take okay, take a shower. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the photo. Go.
I'm ready.
Whoa. What?
I can't look at this.
You have shorts under there, right?
Yeah, of course.
Here's the shot. You got out of the shower and you're checking yourself out in the mirror. Maybe you're checking out your muscles or whatever. You're gonna hold this mirror.
Oh wow, I look good.
Oh, it's so cold! I'm gonna pop a pimple. Live on set. Let's do this now. Boom! And I'm gonna go down, then you go down, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Look, I just see his head in the mirror.
Aiden, head dares. Go get him.
Skateboard!
Skateboard! 5 minutes, let's do it.
I don't get go!
Jump, put your feet on the thing and land. Go. 1, 2. I missed it. No! My thing just. Ah! I think that was so cool.
Oh, that's so cool. I was literally like skateboarding on the surface. I was like, oh, we are gonna win this challenge. Team, squad, let's go.
Carter's picking from the Hat of Dares. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
All
I'm
right.
excited.
Let's see what you got.
Mermaid tail. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Put this on.
This is a dress.
No, it's a mermaid tail.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Is that gonna fit? Okay, my feet are not gonna fit in whatever this is.
Wait, Whoa. No. You're not getting in through here. You're jumping in off that.
Yes. Off that?
Yes.
I can't even walk. Are you kidding me?
Carter! 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Okay, I got it. Yes, you're a mermaid in the air.
Oh my gosh.
That was sick. I just cleared my. Whoa, how did that happen? My camera broke, but fortunately it didn't break underwater because that would have been bad.
Let's just say it feels great to be out of my mermaid tail.
You have feet.
The squad is big.
It's like Team Roar meaning Carter versus a squad.
I'm like, come on guys, who's with me? And I turn around like, where is everyone? They're not even here.
I'm gonna pick one photo from your team and only one photo from your team.
Oh, what?
So
So you're saying I have a chance?
Cheerleader!
Oh!
Okay, go get it. Oh god, it's gonna run.
Wait, hold on, wait. You gotta jump. You gotta do some sort of pom-pom jump. I missed 8. I don't want to miss this. Okay, ready, go. Yay! I got it. Awesome. Okay, now you do the same thing underwater. Twist a little bit more. Do it again. But I think it's working.
Twist a little bit more this way.
That's cool.
Subscribe to Jordan. All right, guys. So that was really fun. It was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Like I couldn't see anything, and I have these really big shoes on that it made me feel like a duck because I couldn't like do anything. But Carter, you know, I love your house, and you seem like a really, really nice guy. But I think that you're going down. The squad is definitely gonna win.
I could never lift that if I wasn't underwater. Let's see it.
Night out.
Night out.
Like I couldn't even see what I was doing, and my hair was in my face. Isn't
that cool?
Oh my god.
Boom.
So inside of the Squad Beanie, we have tons of papers, and they say bride and groom.
Like that's literally what they all say.
Every single one. Every single one.
Eliana's over there. She's like distracted right now, so this is perfect time. So we're gonna switch this here. No offense against the Roar hat. This is really cute. I love the color. But we're gonna put the Squad Beanie down.
Team Roar, we got Stove. How to do it?
Ooh, I got eating eating underwater.
Eating underwater. Okay.
I need to grab a plate. I need a fork. I want to change really quick. Oh my god! I got the pasta for you! Yeah, I would need a chair too.
Oh, this looks great. We're running out of time, son.
Oh my I started chewing on it and I had a couple noodles go down my throat. I was gonna actually swallow, thinking like I was legit eating at like, you know, in the kitchen. So yeah, eating food underwater is a really interesting concept. And I think if the photo comes out cool, I think that will be the winner. Team Roar is gonna win. Woo!
Right. For Team Roar, it is Ryan.
All right,
Take a nap.
Take a nap!
Today, the squad is...
Oh my god!
That's mine. Emily just laughed.
No. You're teasing, right?
No! Yes, she's teasing. Let me see. Emily!
Okay, now I don't believe you anymore. For a minute, kind of disappointing. I thought she really wanted that book. Oh well, you can get one though on Amazon. I got this crazy idea, walk the dog. Oh my god.
Do Millie with the leash.
This is gonna be so cute. This dog has more subscribers than 99% of YouTubers.
Craziest stunt, so I'm really excited.
What's up, guys? You good? Oh, you dipped her too much, huh?
Inside of Squad Beanie, we have tons of papers, and they say bride and groom.
Okay, we have saved the best for last. Representing the squad, Eliana Longley.
Let's go!
There we go.
About
About time.
About time you showed up.
What did you get? No!
Bride!
I got to be a bride!
What is it? I'm picking again because I waited this long.
Let's see.
It says bride again!
Is that fine?
Yeah, here we go.
Everybody knows this. I don't want to get married. I don't want to be the bride and groom. This is gonna be so embarrassing and awkward. And
Do you even have anyone to get married?
yeah, it's just
My man looking sharp. My man looking...
No, this is just for a photo. Don't get, we never condone this for real, but as a photo, it's pretty cute. And now I'm gonna pick my favorite photo of the squad. It goes to Juliana! For Team Roar, the winning photo is Carter! Yeah! I wasn't finished. Carter's girlfriend, Lizzie.
yes!
Now it's up to you out there in social media land. Which one do you want to see win? The fans picked the squad, and so here comes the consequence. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks, everybody. 100,000 thumbs up. We'll do another underwater shoot. Yeah!